Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of mine, it comes up in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Yeah, my tambourine a shake long time, my tambourine a shake long time. It a shake long time, my tambourine powerful so. My tambourine strong and powerful so. Great things, Jamaica, great things, and great things to all our listeners all over the world. Cause I don't know that this is sitting here global, shall we say worldwide. Large up on yourself, man, and then I'm on the morning. I will live for seat, I will have to give thanks indeed. Because we're there, I wasn't afraid of people and nobody never covered down in a darkness. Nobody never covered down in a solitude. When I turn hermit up in the mountain, I live with wild and then sitting there. We're there, because we're supposed to there. Large up on yourself, Tambourine Nation. Big respect indeed. Big up on yourself, Mixup and Blenda crew. Large up on yourself. Big up, well, let me get the fabulous people. Let me get the people. Let me large up on yourself. Big up my uptown people and big up my middle class people and everybody. Big up all professional people out there. At the same time, I want you to remember, say, Eagle are professional too. Somehow I want to go I like say, well, whenever I notice how them use the word professional, when them say somebody professional, it means say you're accountant. When them say professional, it means say you're a doctor or you're a lawyer. When them say professional, it means say you are a CEO or a COO or a CFO or some other class. You understand? When I use the word professional, it applies to people like journalists. When I use the word professional, it applies to people like talk show hosts. A profession is a job. If you're doing a job, you're engaged in a profession. That means you are a professional. You understand? So if you push a damn cat, you're professional to them ranky. If you sweep street, that is a job. A job is a profession. That means you're professional. Don't make them use these language of demarcations and status to make them feel like say, some people better than some. Because when they do these things, what they're really saying is some people better off than some people, some job better than some people. And the job them when they usually are put down, the job them when they usually are discriminate and now referred to as professional. Make them the job they not done and see what happened to the country. To all the people them who job is to clean toilet. Make them start clean the toilet now and see what happened to the country. To all the people them who sweep street and pick up garbage. Make them start pick up garbage and see what happened to the country. Big up all professional, irrespective of which job you're in. Ragashanti, I say level the playing field. Me there to give it to the people and more go like them better off than some people. We're there to build in them back like silver ticks. I would not let go. You understand? Anyway, bless up on yourself, people and things. Roll call, everybody present, Southside, you're present. Canterbury in Montego Bay, present. Bourg, present. Anchovy, present. Black River, present. Crawford, St. Elizabeth, present. Santa Cruz, present. Sablamar, present. Negril, present. Hopewell, Hanover, present. Lucy, hey, I don't know what I'm present, you know. Large up on the side, my Ocho Race, Alexandria and all them, Brownstone, all them, Engineer St. Ann. You see, Donkey Lane, Country Girl and the Old Massive, and the Duncan's crew and the Falmouth crew. Large up on the side, Mandeville, Manchester, Clarendon, Maypen, and all the men, the bong bang, sit the man, Spanish Stone in the building, man. Would have never left for now. Portmore for sure, them for know. Any link here for the downtown Kingston side, Maxfield and all the men's there. Large, big up all of my uptown people, I'm off for Tree Crossroad, Vineyard Town and them place there. Big up the whole of Jamaica. Big up all who are listening foreign. Big up AC Wall to the flipping world. Fun Wall Station. Big up the yarders, them over Mixup yard. Another Monday morning we give thanks indeed. Blessing. Tambourine with there. We're there to appreciate all of the good way in our life. And we're there to fight off the dirty, wicked people. And with the power case, we can outlast them and we will. And if we life, if the survival of our life depend upon fighting them till thine kingdom come, then so shall it be. Dirty, wicked people with their phone and the tambourine, their phone and all set and nastiness, you know. As matter of fact, undercut Jesus slippers. Undercut Jesus slippers and all traitor, you know. And Pontius Pilate are the same damn thing and all wicked, you know. But anyway, Road to the QT in the building, Jeremy King in the building, Nationwide family in the building, large up on yourself. But just listen to Johnny's show. I don't want dirty parts in there on Johnny's show talk about big old ass tearing ragga, afraid of cockroach. Patsy, what you know about me? What you know about me, dirty Patsy? Patsy, Super J cool. But Patsy, I know if I want to no, well, Patsy, sometimes you defend me, so I have to talk it through. Sometimes you defend, but sometimes you go and like say, yo, we're going to bring Patsy on the show one day and fix our business for her. Bring dirty Patsy on the show one day. Yes, man. Anyway, Bellias, you there?
Boom.
All right, then. Large people say, so you don't go like you know what sound. Chris Cross, give the people them a greeting, make them know what is what.
Morning, Raga.
Yo, that man. Yo, big up the second back coming greeting.
Morning, Raga.
Yo, Cross, that shot, but I lie. I want to catch me off guard. Yo, you know some here over the weekend, me down a pump pole in St. Mary there. And I was talking to a wonderful lady, beautiful, big man, where you must have respect and manners to. And thing, Mrs. Neal. And Mrs. Neal called second back of me, second back of you. Lovely, wonderful woman. So, Belly, as we are saying, you're good.
I'm good, my day. I wait for the break for go back to some of Devon curry chicken foot and white rice.
Yeah, man, Devon are hard. And in case people don't know who Devon is the nationwide super chef. You understand?
Yeah.
And big up Miss Clark, indeed. You understand? Everything is everything.
Yeah.
So, Cross, what you say, you're good?
Already know where they are, you see.
You see, so you're ready to kick off the blast off Monday?
Read it on proper way.
Yo, people, it's all about the blast off Monday. And do remember, so we're on the same topic, the topic that go for 2 weeks. Baby mix up. Because, yo, you know something I just done was write my star article for tomorrow's in. And I get a piece of mix up, you know. One woman. I have 7 daughters for one man. Some more in a St. Ann. We're not going to say the tongue. Because next thing you know, them go find out say only she have 7 daughters and then we in trouble. So we're going to just say 7 daughters. We're just going to say St. Ann. She have 7 daughters for the man. The man filed for 3 of the daughters them. But when him they filed for them 3, the embassy never asked for DNA test. So them 3 they go through. Then him filed for the other 4. When embassy do the test, 3 out of the 4 are jacket. 3 out of the 4. So the man goes up, boom, and say, let me go check out the other 3 we managed to come through before. When in check, none of them are a female either. And I grew on people, them know, I don't know. So the man have 7 daughters. 7 daughters where I relate to him daughter, them and everything or whatever. Only to find out, say, 6 out of the 7 are not female.
So all on the 3 will go up and never film one them either?
I never film one, but when they go up, embassy never did that take DNA test.
Yeah.
So I saw them get through. So the other 3 now then, when the other 3 find out, say them a jacket too and whatever this, then go back across the mama, 1 piece of stretch take her, she drop down, strokes lick her, half of her body can't move right. Drama. You see what me I tell on the people? we are regularly putting down men who not mind them picnic and justifiably so. That for one, if a man a low up the thing in terms of not take care of him youth, then fine. But we are way too lenient on the women who commit the fraud of giving a man a jacket. If anything, we will burn them out a little bit, but we feel say we must make the law hold them account. Just like how the courts are moved to deadbeat dads, because we have now embraced that American term, deadbeat dads, pupa una mind and picnic. We must step to the woman them who are deliberately give man jacket to and very carelessly and freely and loosely and do them things there because it's wickedness. You can't imagine where I let the man they got to now. In go raising 7 picnic them and 7 daughter them. And now come find out say 6 and not that other neighbor, the other 6 of your neighbor, our neighbor. You know.
Jesus. Round the corner.
Cross the fence. You understand? The neighbor a do the woman all this time and whatever. Anyway, then I start tomorrow to look for it in our column and thing. But with the baby mix up same way. Pregnancy mix up, we say. Pregnancy mix up. Pregnancy mix up, so on the call in and give any drama about, breed the mix up and thing. Who said them a breed and never did a breed? Who breed and what happened and all kind of mix up, which mate to breed. The husband, whatever. We are breed the mix up with them, pregnancy mix up. We are talk a couple things. I remember say have dirty people who know why we talk the way we talk, but when I look upon them, they don't own the media. Even though they're trying to convince people in the broadcasting commission that is only one set of people must be in the media, and it's only one set of people must talk certain way, and we're not supposed to celebrate our sexuality and all these different things. If you love Saturn, call Ragashanti and say it. All you do, you make sure you don't say a nasty word, because along those lines, we do obey the rules of the Broadcasting Commission. We do obey and respect their regulatory control and the role that they have to play in society in order to keep the airwaves clean, which is one of the focus they have. But we're also aware that they regularly, represent the interests of some of the elites in this society who continue to try to render certain little thing from ghetto that is not profane. They regularly try to characterize it as profane and inappropriate and not acceptable to be on the radio. And these people don't understand the fundamentals of democracy. They don't understand the fundamentals of appreciating diversity and being tolerant of differences. It's either their way or the highway. But when they come with them foolishness, you just look by them and say, oh, no, come kiss out my butter pan. All right. Anyway, it's blast off Mondays. Oh, poor Jesus, people. January done already, you know. Today are the last of January, you know. As you turn around the year, done already. Oh, poor Jesus. Listen to me. Enjoy every day what Master God send Congo. Now that man for telling you. Enjoy every day. Don't get upon stress and sad and whatever and blame people for your unhappiness. If you are somebody right now who blame somebody for your unhappiness, then you're twice defeated. If you blame your man, if you blame your woman, if you blame Bruce, if you blame Portia, if you blame gunman, if you blame other people for your unhappiness, then you're twice defeated, because ultimately we are all responsible for our happiness. Find some reason for laugh and balance out the thing. Laugh, learn, and grow, sir. Okay, people, it's about 12 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Something. Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, poor Jesus, then anything can go so. And just before the can you believe it, want to inform you people that starting today, Ragashanti Live will again be repeated at night. So big up all of the bus people who drive late tonight, and big up all of the security people who always love to listen to the show at night time and thing I did a cuss and go on, but see that when I get back now, the same vibe over here so nationwide. Again, Ragashanti Live will be repeated nightly starting at 11 p.m. and it goes up until 3 o'clock thereabouts. Again, Ragashanti Live will be repeated nightly starting today, nightly at 11 p.m. and it goes till somewhere approaching 3 o'clock or thereabouts. So, enough respect to all of the security people, especially who did that pressure me and I say, Raga, and know the thing going up on the work, you know, boom, badang, bang, bang, bing. Well, see there. I saw the thing set. Well, for can you believe it, today we're in Italy, the country Italy, with an interesting situation here. I want to name oral evidence. Oral evidence. Make me read the break before we pat up it class. Here we go. A dumped lover who uploaded a film of a cheating wife performing oral sex on him has been cleared of obscenity by a judge because his instrument was not visible in the movie. His 35-year-old married girlfriend had sued him for £50,000 in compensation after he posted the film on the internet when they broke up. In one section, she breaks off from the romp to take a call from her trusting husband asking what to do about supper, and she tells him, defrost a packet of beans. But judges in Siaka, Italy, threw out the claim after viewing the film and deciding that the film was not obscene because the penis was not identifiable. Again, people, a real thing. So what I go and write this? A woman a bun her husband with her brother here. So she and the bunner man a do them thing. And for whatever reason, the wife decides she shall go stop do the things with the bunner man. The bunner man who is a careless, dirty, nasty bunner man, dirty man, bunner man, decide to go put up on the internet a film when they do when the wife did a swipe him. And then go put it up. The wife then carry him go court. Because, of course, this guy's problem in her life. But you know, see what happened. But anyway, the wife carry him go court. And the judge look, and the carry him go court, and then make a charge on the brother that he was actually engaging in obscenity. The judge, after reviewing the film, decided that it was not obscene because they weren't seeing the gentleman's instrument. Them never did I see the brother too. For Jesus. All right. Several things. Oh, and then make a point for make we know, say. While the lady did do the swiping on the bonner man, her husband called and I asked about her husband called and I asked about dinner. And she just goes so boom and rest her mouth a little bit and just answer her phone and say, oh, defrost a pack of beans, man. Beans in her fridge. Just defrost that and go and work with that and look about something because me there eat something myself. What a thing he belly has. Imagine what a thing for him go call about. Him a call and I ask her when the husband, while she a swipe the bonner man.
Yeah.
The husband call and ask her when to eat. At the time her mouth full already. If I laugh, I pop up in it. But what you think about what the judge ruled? You think that what the judge ruled is a fair thing?
I don't think so. I mean, what else could she be doing down there? Seriously.
Exactly.
What she a look for? You know
exactly.
what I mean?
I'm not join that with what the judge said. Because, you see, when she has swiped, you know, she have in a certain position.
Yeah.
You know, she have to be, you know what I say? Once a woman in a position around a man, and her head and move and do the things, then, we know what she do. And it's because she do the things, and perhaps doing it quite well. Why we're not seeing the man things? Because we know which part it disappears. You understand? You understand? Stop. Right? So I don't understand. I think the judge was unfair to this woman.
Yes, I think so too.
I think the judge was unfair to this woman. And I don't think that, brother, you don't know what me I say already, you know. You hear what me I say? You see, if me and a woman I do the things, them, and we film myself, and then she'll do something wicked after, or whatever, and for whatever reason, we broke up and whatever. Me not gonna post that on the internet. Me not gonna post that. That's why I not like people who love post things on the internet. Them go away from yourself. When I rate them.
No.
When I rate them people who love post up things on the internet and expose things about people. Hey, when that thing, when someone go on the internet, you
just start decode and you can't get it back.
You can't get it back. So I don't care what nobody wants. I rate no look of dirty nastiness that I going to post up them things on the internet. I rate that. If drama go down and whatever.
And it's like, even though a bunch she about her husband, so yes, she wrong too. Yeah. Because of what him do, people more forget she the right over him because him are not, even though the two of them, you know, should not engage in a bunning and whatever, you know, because she married. And him might get the wrong because him should have
but the double standard, the double people are more with these things, with all due respect, people can disagree with me if they want. But I notice with these things that people are more unfair to women.
Yeah.
People are usually more unfair to women. So I know a whole heap of people are going to say that case here, and I give it to the woman and I say, what she born her husband for, whatever. I ignore the fact, say, what this brother had to do with the video and whatever. Him shouldn't, no, man. I rate that.
Yeah, for
and
real.
The judge, man, the judge dropped the ball upon that one. Because again, people, the judge has said, the reason why the brother must not be held accountable under the law for posting the picture of the woman who had born her husband and swipe him. The judge has said, him never said the brother tool. So the judge has said, well, I can't say the thing obscene. For it to be obscene, I have to be seeing something.
Yeah.
The judge basically said, I say genitals.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Whether it's from the woman or whether it's from the man. The judge has said, I have to say genital. Now, I don't know if the language in the law states that.
You think you're going to see the iron part there? That judge is an idiot.
Right, but we know the transfer has been taking place because it's clear, don't it?
Exactly.
Because once the thumb drive go in at the USB port, the computer automatically starts the process.
Yeah.
And we can see the thumb drive in at the port. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So the judge can't say him to see the silver part of the man thumb drive. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. But at the same time, with all due respect, the woman must be commended for doing her thing in such a way that you couldn't even see nothing with the brother one. John was she not go hard, like, and she said, disappear. If I laugh, I wake up in this movie, mad. But again, people, in Italy, a woman a born her husband and a swipe her born man. And while she swipe her born man, her husband give her a call and she does like the thing for a while, answer her husband, because the husband ask her, what is for dinner? And she don't tell him sort out the dinner thing on the phone and go back to deal with the work, eh?
Oh Lord, go see her when him come when she reach home and she say, how was the dinner? And him say, I feel pecky. She wants us to get someone with her. She said, boy, my belly full, yeah, you know.
My belly full, no. Say, no, I'm going to
when
eat
the
on the road.
husband pecky, she, yes, your belly full. Yeah.
He said, no, you know somebody eat on the road already.
The beans now all him.
And when she said, what you eat? She said, I eat a hell of a hot dog. They said, man.
Jumbo.
And he said, I eat a piece of banana. Them said, then a banana you eat. She said, yeah, that alone full my belly. I'm tell you. A week. Anyway, people, they have it, a woman. Give her bonaman blowjob and when them tape it, the bonaman tape it and go put the woman, when the woman left the bonaman now and stop talking to him, the look at dirty boy, go post the video up on the internet and sitting and then the woman carry him to court. The judge now I go say that, you know, the man is not guilty because him not say the man instrument. So he's not guilty of posting obscenity and whatever. Like if the woman down there and her mouth and move, so like that left any doubt what exactly she's doing. But that's how he thinks it, and fear. That way!
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in nice sitting. Welcome back indeed. Read some of them email, I know. Raga, big up to my nasty dirty cousin from New York. But bad mind me. I'm going to sort out my baby father. And the way the sort out pop down, him come confess to me. And the girl no stop call. The girl no stop from call my man phone. And hang up. And I left message. But I should have she have him, not me. Now the girl breed. And I've pitney and can't find the father. Cause it's about 10 man name I call. Me tell her to go up and marry. Cause only him alone can help her. Papa Jesus. Hey, when a woman breed do you know, and a 10 man name, and I want out of the 10 I forgot win the raffle, you know. That kind of stick, you know. You know what y'all watch Mary and some woman come on and say, I must one out of them 2 money, I must one out of them 3 money, and after them do the test, and none of the 2 and none of the 3. And then them will come back with 2 more, and I still none of the 2. Yo, how some girl a roll so? Oh, party, a them say raffle, a them say lotto. Some girl a move like them as Supreme Ventures. Anyway, next email. Raga, when I lived in Jamaica, shortly after my wife of 7 years abandoned the marriage, a mutual female friend of the family hid her identity and called me on the phone saying she was a secret admirer. After I invited her over for the sort out, she claimed she just finished her cycle, so I am safe. Oh, Lord. 3 weeks later, she told me she was late and needed $10,000 to terminate it, or else she would come to my workplace and make trouble. So I had to pay up. Well, sir, you were a victim of one of the commonest con where women run a Jamaica. One of the commonest con where women run a Jamaica. That reach up, that reach up. Next email. Big up yourself, Raga, and your crew. I am a Jamaican living in the Bahamas. From the start listening to your program recently, every day I try and make it a part of my schedule for listening. When all them people I call about Mixup, me not stop kill myself with laugh. The people in the office I wonder if me okay, but me not care. Cause from it say Raga, me all up on it 100%. Me love how you done the people them where I try look down for you. Big up all of the people in back home, enough big up to the one them who hate me. I don't want to see me reach nowhere. But the biggest big up are to the girl who want to take my man. But guess what, dirty girl, me and him still there. And him want me and him want me. I'm not left him. More love, Raga. Yeah, talk up the things them, man. Next email. Hello, Mr. Raga. Big up to the girl who breed for the boy and drop out of school. After she have the baby, a bear beating her. She just a get from the wicked boy, Raga. Him all eat out the food and I give her none. And when she cuss him about it, him beat her upon top pipe. When him done, beat her, him want sort out. A dirty boy that Raga. Him want a woman like me for beat out him nastiness with a pot and pan them. Raga, big up yourself, I love you. Okay, next email. Raga, big up to my cousin-in-law, baby father. Where she left. And the dirty boy take back the whole of the baby things them where him buy. Buckle, pampers, clothes, and everything you can think about. Because him alone did a work. Him start tell everybody about how I no fee him pitney. The next day the whole family just look for him and beat him to a frazzle. The little dirty boy just run away and gone back to him yard. So cause him shame, him don't even come look for the pitney. I call to find out if the baby alright. And man, I take my call back. Yo. Next email, hi Raga. My aunt was here visiting from London and you almost make her pee-pee up her pants for a couple days. The day of the G-string wearing man took the cake. She laughed so hard she cried. She's a senior citizen and she love your show. She told me to ask you if you ever go to London. And if you do, let her know when. Because she has to be there. Keep it up, Raga, and God bless from Sexy K. Well, Sexy K, a London trip is in the works. Some promoter, some promoter figure out the thing. You understand? But we're ready for work. We're ready for work when the London work come in. You understand? We're ready for work for the Canada work. You understand? We just want the right money. We're not running for nothing if we not get. We just do. You understand? Next email, Raga, big up to the baby mother. We come from Jamaica, come visit our son. But the baby father live with his girlfriend. And the baby mother, I go tell the man about him, she asleep. Well, I'm going to read over that. Raga, big up the baby mother. We come from Jamaica, come visit our son. But the baby father live with his girlfriend. And the baby mother, I go tell the man about him, she asleep with. So the girl must find somewhere go. Mr. Raga, one piece of jam, I can't write it all about beer things. Oh, me see what go on here. Well, if the baby mother rating still upon the wife's status, you know. You understand? Then she must know why she can tell this other woman that who the man live with a foreign, you know. They say, yo, you have to cut because rate. But if a wife's status she have, if them not broke up, and him live with the other woman and she just visit the country and thing. She can't tell the man saying for run with a woman and live with. Well, we don't know the details. Next email, we are going to big up the girl in a Mandeville where her mother have one unfinished room. And she there with this boy. And she make the boy help her finish the room, bathroom and kitchen. Put in her face basin and all. Send her go evening class. After the room finished, the woman dash out the man and take in one other man. The first man not even get for sleep in night. And I went upstairs to in a Raga. Him have to just pass and look up. And him pay $9,000 a month for rent now. Raga is a wicked mother she have. Me did there with one of her granddaughter. And if me never wise enough, she would have named me out too. Her granddaughter did breed for me. And she tell her to dash it away. A dirty mother that Raga. So the man when he walking can just look up on the house now. Raga, big up to my ex. We left me for a bisexual girl. Then the girl left him for a better swiper. And him run go put on my name tattoo and think me would have taken him back. This is coming from New Jersey. Well, I'm going to see this. This is a mix-up from New Jersey. He said, Raga, big up my ex. We left me for a bisexual girl. So her brother left the girl, left she. I'm going to pick up a bisexual girl. And then the girl that left him, because she get a better swiper, so she must find a woman who can do it better. Then in order know if we go get back the girl, what him go do? Him run go tattoo for her name on him body. Must have said, see, I'm serious about I start back the thing. Whatever, and she don't even look on him. I saw it thing said, you see it, tattoo now win, tattoo now whole woman again, and tattoo now whole man again. You have some people them are running with the tattoo and all them little thing there with them foolishness. Well, I saw the thing, yo, we are hear a sound, say somebody done Biggie a Dove Cat. We don't know how walk one, but we're going to talk to Biggie about that. But we hear say Biggie get done a Dove Cat. We don't know how she get done, if she get done, or if it's a bean, or it's a cuss out, or what. But we're going to link Biggie at some point in the show. We're going to link Biggie and find out the 100 one.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the team.
Yeah, man, welcome back in I sitting, welcome back up in I sitting, welcome back up in the Mixup Entertainment Center. Big up the yarders, them over here and sitting, and them I keep back with right now. Why the yarders loud up for the set. Susie Kyoto, oh, you done me on, so Jeremy and about the place, so Andrea, Malcolm, Mela, Monique, Susie, Ebony, DeAndre, and sitting, Miss Lex. Hold on over here, kick back and sitting. I want Susie Kyoto, I like she's a big dancer, and I want to hold you. I mean, make sure some not faint. That must say. Okay, people, pregnancy mix up or any other sample mix up. Jeremy and Sin on the call them. I want to hear them nice and warm and loud. And people who want some shell down, turn up and mix up. And I want nothing to pop down. I want nothing to lame up the thing. You understand? And we use the energy and charisma around here. Rinse. Hello.
Hello, Robert. Long time listener, first time caller. I have a mix
All
up to give you about a dirty brother, swiper brother. Me lend me $15,000. I have to take him a court fees.
You lend the brother $15,000.
$15,000. Yes, after him go over one country and swiping girl, and the girl can go lock him up, then beat him up and rape him. So he asked if me have no money, can compromise. I'm lending me 15,000 from 2009. And now I know me can't get me 15,000 from him, Raga. Me have to carry him go to court. My father did, and me have one goat to kill I did yard. And the boy take the goat and go kill the goat and sell the goat. And how come me get to hear from the woman who in there with no Raga? And when he have the girl hold him down with the machete, he swipe him, and the girl and swipe him, the girl call me on phone and they call her, cry on the ball, they tell me everything.
Well, so wait. Well, let me understand it. Him go swipe one girl, right? You say.
That time baby mother.
Him baby mother, and then as she called police, but him say him a beat her.
Yes, and they beat him and rape him. Because she went left and she can go back over the woman yard.
Okay, and then him call you and ask you for help for bail him.
Yes.
And you go take up your good $15,000 for bail him and thing like that, and him no want to pay you back your money.
He no want to pay me back, I have to carry him go to court. And I pay line, tell judge to pay me money. Say me father the evidence, me money when he pay me back. One night I tell the judge to give me 50 last 3,000 and give me 4 my father did. But there we got a probation officer that a Friday. He said give me 8 and he give me 7, then he go back to him out, then he give me 4, and then he give me 3 after. So the lady asked me, you just say you give me 8 one time and 7 one time, so how come? He said we have liquor rum and his father said if you sell the rum and give me everything one time. Then he only give me the money when me come up on Sunday daytime and give me father dinner. Me hardly go to country go give me father dinner. My father must call me or me or something up to me go up there. And he don't know when me go up there.
Hold on. And you say, I when him a beat the other girl that went there with
yes,
right
when
now.
the
At
other
that
girl
time, she call and I make you know say him one goat where did one carry go night.
Yes, after him I beat him.
Okay. So what you going to do? What your next step, you know?
We are going to court tomorrow.
You go to court tomorrow?
Yes.
So are you $15,000 you want, but do you want any money for you go to?
No, just the 15,000 I want. I mean, got people in Ragashanti, they must take 10 out, 5 out, and send the little boy at school, and say, want to help send the little boy at school. They say, take 5,000 and give me other 10. I'll know, not even 10 cents, give me, no decide to give me. Because the agreement says 7 pig. They sell the pig and give me out of it. And not even
for sister, hold on there. For sister, when you give him the $15,000 help your brother out of jail, and him do you them things.
Yes, Raga, help me to help him out of jail. Because he even have a camera phone with the baby pan with the big ganja clip.
Him have a camera phone with the what?
Big ganja clip, the baby got here in my mouth, they smoke. A big ganja clip.
The baby have a ganja split. Him 2-year-old baby has smoke a big ganja split.
Yes, he haven't give the baby it.
Your brother give him 2-year-old baby a ganja split for smoke?
Yes, Raga, me not tell no lie and me talk straight truth, Raga.
And take picture of it?
And take picture of it.
Your brother a shatter?
Him a no real why am I not in office, him a idiot.
Okay. All right, them thing then are right still. They don't forget a 2-year-old putting a ganja split for smoke.
Yeah. That's the reason why I help him in Raga. That's the reason why I help him. Because I know that's a big problem.
No, man, that is abuse. That is abuse,
yeah,
abuse. No 2 ways about it. All right, then, hold on strong. Good luck at court tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, man. If you put the over Duanville, Tulani, Gravril, over there you come from.
Eh?
Duanville, Tulani, Gravril.
All right, now say a word, yeah? All right, then.
All right, take care.
Take care. What a piece of it. But we can't rate that. You can't get 2-year-old picnic. Sometimes some people make some little picnic and do something. Sometimes we see some people make some little picnic and do something and then call it as joke. But you can't get 2-year-old picnic a ganja split for smoke. What kind of thing that? A low sitting there. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, hello, Raga?
Yeah, man.
First time caller, long time listener.
All right.
Yeah, I'm call a big up still because you help me out a lot. You hear me laugh every day, I'm glad for that. You see me?
All right, it goes up,
Papa. I just come on from it, I'm listening to the show, so I'm glad for that. It's a big up still, you see me?
Well, the Broadcasting Commission, the Broadcasting Commission make it them point of duty to tape my show and listen it. And I said the Broadcasting Commission make it them point of duty to tape my show.
Yeah.
And you just call in and you have a good comment for make about the show, good feedback, good positive feedback.
Yeah.
And we hope that Professor Upton Dunn and Cardell Green, when them hear this, they will also log the good the good feedback and the positive comments. And
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we know. All right, blessings
You
and
see what the
respect here.
Barbican Center here, you got an AD machine. Because of that big
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
What they got
All
Barbican
right,
Center is the machine. I'm going to heal you up.
All right, Papa. Now say a word, man.
Respect.
Blessings
All right,
here.
Raga.
Cool.
Yeah, respect. All right.
All right, Roots, and have some mix up, you know. So one pregnancy mix up or any other shell down mix up on the app. Rinse out the different things, them call in and talk up. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Raga,
Yeah, man.
first time call, a long time listener.
All
I want to
right.
pick up my man we vex with me at evening time because me I listen to you and won't cook him dinner.
But why you don't want to cook his dinner?
Because him a come between me and your time. A raga time. When a film time. So me tell him,
So what time you usually cook your dinner?
me about 3:30. But then me get distracted when me I listen to you and to cook the pot. So me rather listen to you and then cook.
But what time you come home my evening time?
Film time now have a fixed time in a raga. But him always
Oh.
vex and say, oh, what light can't go away and now. And me say, listen, you know, sit on phone me I use. Even flight guy, me still can't listen to you.
Okay. But yeah, some man not too comfortable with them woman at like
He not have no problem with you because when him a drive him I listen to you too. Anyway, the pregnancy mix up now, Raga.
Yeah.
I want to pick up the girl and out there to leave me alone, not because me not have no children. And everybody over makes a bake bread.
And what are they? Tambourine. Where you say, and everybody over make for bake bread.
Right, and every woman out there can bake bread. And maybe me fall in one of them category there and me accept whatever fate it is. So I want them
hold
back
on,
up and leave me alone.
I done you.
Yeah, they want to done me and tell me so me can't breathe.
How old are you?
33.
All right. You ever talk to a doctor about it and him tell
Yes,
you
I
there's
know
a
my
certain...
condition, Raga.
You know it? Okay, so it's definite then that you cannot get pregnant.
The thing is, it's not like I can't get pregnant. There's possibility if I get pregnant, I might have miscarriage. So the thing is, I just accept it. If it's happening, it's happening. If it don't happen, it's you know, it's like that. So I want them leave me alone. Not because they can't pop out whole heap of cupcake out of them when them are going done me.
Yeah, no, me always say that, you know, people not supposed to Jamaican people can have some nasty comments to make about women who them don't see with children and thing and whatever. And again, I think that what the comments when they make about woman worse than what they make about man. People can disagree with me.
I like you too. We can't put no baking powder in your own.
No, you don't know about my situation. You don't know about my situation.
Hold
on. When me make a woman push out her stick like she a goat, dog, and supper. But you know what? Nothing wrong with me, you know. Nothing wrong with me. That me I tell you. But when me I say no, big and serious. Jamaican people can't get real. Me, my back broad, you know. I think skin and broad back do it. So when they done me will take it and I'll joke it out.
Me take it too.
No, but me I tell you, so some people can be very mean and thing and very hard for the people them who them are done. Them have either some biological condition or some medical condition where it's not for them fault why them cannot produce a child. And people just walk and have done them and have pass remarks about them selfish, this and that, dope in them belly, and this and that. God not bless them when a picnic or them wicked and that. And I talk up some only dirty, nasty things when I go so.
Yeah. But Raga, me know my thing, me know what happened to me here because I think it was one day last week I hear you talking about it, that some women who have endometriosis.
Okay.
I have it.
Oh, you have it?
Yes, and I have scattered fibroids. So it'd be very difficult for me. So I accept it because I did 2 surgeries.
See, and ladies have a song about it too, you know. Ladies have a song about it and thing which, you know, she
like
talks
having
that
a child, no less than a woman.
Exactly. So which dirty girl I done about it? I want them to look your man or something.
Then those bad man come and feed me man and him chunky.
Why you say you feed your man and him chunky? You
yes,
understand?
Him chunky and him not have no crate in front time. I just one little round little pumpkin. I eat and bite them up.
What?
big up my co-worker who just have baby in her 40s. So you see
In her
how much no cool.
You see, but let me ask you something. I'm just interested. Have you ever get worried and your baby father have any youth yet?
Yeah, I have one child.
My one child with somebody else.
Him did marry and divorce, yeah.
Okay, but I don't want to deep up in that business, but him want any more youth?
Him say, what, if it happen, it happen. If it don't happen, he will accept it as it is. And
He will accept it
him
as-
always say you have other ways. So he's
All right,
an open-minded person.
Wonderful. Big him up for that. Big him up for that indeed. But then tell me also, you ever get worried and a little bit insecure and wonder if him gonna reach a point where, or if him see any less of a woman and all them, you ever wonder about them something?
The only thing that I'm concerned about is like if him go out there and have it and don't tell me about it and let me find out on my own. It will cause problem in the relationship because if him a go do it, tell me say him a go look one woman where can pop bun film then, and me can pop bun. Me accept it and tell him to go on, but him can't go out there go have it and then come tell me say him do it.
Okay, yeah, you don't feel betrayed this one.
Yeah, but I'm saying, all right, my girl, it now work out between me and you because you want more little cupcake and him want more cupcake and me can produce in my oven, so I'm going to go out there go look in a greener pasture. So me accept it and life goes on.
But I don't know the way you get up every day and it bother you.
No bother me at all because you see, thing is, I work where children is and I have a lot of fun with them.
Right.
If people don't know me, they wouldn't know, say, I don't have any children. So how I interact with my children them at work.
See it there.
So me just want all dirty nigga them to just back off and leave me alone.
The old cross
I'm
is
all,
them. All
I'm
right.
all food co-worker we are listening. We have young baby now 40s.
That's the word here. That's the word.
I
Blessings
rather
and
my man
respect.
text with me when me come at your show. Ask me if me go wear tights and I'm a little dress. And me tell him no, at night, me no need to wear no tights and I need it.
So he must say that you must wear tight to
Yes,
protect him not like going too short.
Yes.
Too short. Well, that's how we done, you know. When we see other woman out there, we don't pay them the mind with it. Sometimes we like, but when our woman are go, no, sir. We don't want she to go out there half naked by herself or just too sexy and all them sitting there.
You know, same man
No,
no problem with me there to Raga. You see, if we go out, if we go movies, and we say, no,
Yeah.
you can't wear that skirt there. You're going to look better than me. So me say, me must look better than you at all times.
No, me not have no problem if my woman look better than me. Me not have no problem with that.
You see, I listen
Right,
to
and
my clothes and I come out and him now come. Just me.
I worry is that.
Yes, man.
I saw what that. Anyway, bless up here.
Yeah, man, bless up too and continue to do your work here, Raga, and make bad mind people go away.
When I look for them, you know, them and John Crack Cumbolo. Oh,
John?
my distant.
All right, baby.
All right, take care. You see. Pregnancy Mixup or any other Sheldon Mixup. Sit down. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Yes, greetings. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, man, why you not talk? Talk, no man, talk, man.
First time caller, long time listener here.
Yeah.
One day, Raga, one big up the thief for come on my bar and rob me. Take 3 real guys and take my touch phone, you see. And then when the police and catch him, in and sister phone, I don't know the code for the phone.
I'm sister phone and don't know the code for going on the phone, no?
The PIN code. It was a touch phone. I know it's an iPhone. So
Yeah.
The code in front time and he nearly dropped down.
Yeah. Then lock him up, down.
Yeah, man, then I come to the same way, man.
So I went in come to the phone and the 3 real vibes.
You know, I started January, it was 2011 in Syria.
2000. Okay. But think
Yeah, man.
you can't go bar and thief real vibes.
Your man come and take 3 real vibes, see man in front of them. With nice teeth, Raga.
Well, in wall you up in the bar and say, give me 3 real vibes.
Come round the counter and beering, man. Beering him come right round the counter. Yeah.
Then tell me something. What's the round there? What's kind of liquor did round there?
Well, me have any kind of liquor you think about. HQ, top shelf liquor, all of them hype liquor. They both are
Any city there, they don't.
Yeah,
Any city there.
HQ, Tia Maria, Johnny Walker Black and Johnny Walker Red, everything there. The bar sell off and him just take 3 real vibes.
And that 3 real vibes him take on your phone.
Yeah, and $8,500. See money in front of them. And after that, them catch him for a rape charge.
Rape charge too?
Yeah. Take
Yeah,
some
you see-
US from some girl who just come from find and rape the girl. Car way far out go rape the girl, man. To our friend them in rape, you know. Them take turns, so it's like a battery and rape on the girl.
How are you now? So them all the other youth them too?
No, man, they live on the run, Raga.
Okay. Why?
Yeah,
And some arms just see my keep up with them rape thing there,
Yeah,
whatever
man.
and that. And I wall up bar
Big
and I
up yourself,
take
bless
3
you,
real
yeah, I
vibes.
love your show.
Anyway,
Them can't
all right,
stop you, yeah.
blessings and respect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
All right, blessings. It goes so, baby. It goes so. Yo. When I hear that man, the man roll out the bar, take the phone and then take him going at the bar, heading around the Tia Maria, a crazy top shelf liquor around it, and the man take 3 real vibes. Yeah, roll up bar, if you go take 3 and go around at the bar counter. You go take up 3 real vibes. John Mustard. Yeah, big up Jason over Mixup Yard. Jason over Mixup Yard, because I'm always saying the good, can you believe it, them man. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, Raga, we ain't saying about whatever gonna do, Raga, no girl can't done me.
So what happened at Dove Cat, Biggie?
Listen, Raga, I'm going to final in November. I daughter about take my picture, Raga. The woman is not no friendly that picking them. Listen, Raga. And I'm going to final today. Them said, another daughter turned to her and said, Mommy, stop that stuff to take a picture. Because she just must have want to take a picture with me. So she tell the mother, Raga, I'm way taller than her mother. So anyway, you know, I move away. Raga, I move away. Like, them not take another mother picture she wanted, Raga. And my picture, she had take to my friend. Sister, she had take the picture. So my friend said to me, say, Biggie, you and that girl last friend? I said, no. So here I know, no. Biggie, my daughter, don't see Biggie, my daughter, them no want a friend. Raga, same time, me and her start. She's Raga, she can't tell me nothing for my Raga, because I don't have no bomb chicken in my combo robe. Raga, clothes and shit in my combo robe. Listen.
In a yawa?
In my combo robe, Raga, no bomb chicken though. In there is clothes and shit.
All right, ma. All right. Go and talk. Hey.
Listen, Raga, so anyway, you know, me and her cut. So same time, my mother said, Biggie, no, you say it's not the place, you know, the time for this. Go on, man, go on, and me and the woman and walk off. Same time, mother turned to her mother say, so and so, you know, he's a big woman and Biggie, a little girl, you're not supposed to, you know, cousin with Biggie. Raga,
Yeah.
my mother has so many psoriasis. It's a bad case of eczema.
What your mother have what?
Psoriasis.
Oh, psoriasis. Okay, right. And
Right, Raga, it's a bad case of eczema.
Biggie, the emphasis is on the X, not the Z. So you don't
No,
say
Raga, there's no
eczema.
Z in psoriasis.
No, I'm saying, just a suggestion to you. Usually I don't do that, but me know me can't do it with you. It's not eczema, it's eczema.
Anything, Raga, anything I want. Because it said you like how you say Scotia and not Scotia Bank is Scotia. I say anything I want to me, Jamaican. Same way you do up your language, but do up my thing. Listen to me.
Tambourine, Biggie, Tambourine, talk up, Biggie, talk up. Because people, when they say eczema, people still know where you say no.
Right.
All right, talk up, yeah.
So anyway, my mother said to her, say, you say it's not the place and the time for the argument. So she started saying, Shirley, look how your skin stay and whatever. Somebody said to her, say, how my skin stay so? I have my man for 13 years and my man still want me. I no fan of man and I can't keep man because any man go in life, come back out dead. Because now I walk with Dove Cat, you're not supposed to come at funeral because I always a keep funeral.
What? Anyway, go on, talk.
Right.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know, to the cousin I get out of proportion, Raga, and we really respect woman. No? When I'm a mother, I'm going to big woman friend say, Shirley, you just have to tell Biggie if you don't, so don't eat Raga. Oh, I go over the next side over Dove Cat, where over there to them Serenity Park, Raga, we say we're going to look for uncle over there, so that's the power. I got them berries. Raga, woman, reach over there, so Raga.
Well on, man. Serenity Park, I want Bossy Park, that's over Dove Cat.
Yeah, that's the part which part I got there. Yeah, Raga, my uncle buried there, so Raga.
Well on. Willie, I got buried over there, and who else buried over there?
Yeah, Raga, really, I got time walk there right side of my uncle, Raga.
Okay. So I'm going to go over there, go look. Yeah.
Story, no?
Yeah.
So in Jesus, you know, just see some people, no, Raga, so she ball out, yeah, no? Go on, Shirley, go on, because, like should I say, you don't stay, whatever. So mother said to her, say, I can't read, because me I go school, nobody no read, no for me, nobody no read, no for me. And me never teach for me, I go school for teach for me, I have to stop go school. And then she had set up again, and mother said to her, say, When me want no ginger fly, don't take me. That's me have to get up and in an early morning. Should I be there? Got a passport office, a ginger fly. Take care of a run out a passport office and to say AC in them. I don't know all the ginger fly them reaching at the place. Look at the share one and walk here and hear share. So our next one whatever they play a show and me son from them. I said, begin to hear woman so we could hear. Raga some say to her, me turn to her, I say, woman, all like coconut bugs when the coconut come out, not even water, not even swell, coconut, all it does be like king, like keke drum no raga. She go over.
Well on. What you say the woman, oh, you say what about the woman?
Coconut bugs raga and beat like keke drum. Listen to the story.
Yes, ma.
So anyway, she go with Raga and we go, my mother go to the bathroom and we go with Raga. So my friends go when them go say, oh, don't Raga, my mouth now have no good night to tell nobody Raga. Because I went upstairs to Raga, my mother brown and pretty, I can open the Facebook right now, I look for master on top of my page, Raga, you saw my mother nice and brown and sweet.
Hold on, Biggie. So what give your mother the psoriasis?
Raga, listener, is eczema. Them say she's not supposed to eat fish. And she not eat red meat, Raga, but she not stop eat the red meat, the fish, so it come up, Raga. But just when she stop eat it, them come off, right? It's not,
right.
It don't look bad, but to some, it only makes some parts of her body light browner than some.
No, I am familiar with an allergy that causes a skin reaction, a fish allergy that causes a skin reaction, make people broke out. Then if she's allergic to it, she must stop eat it, man.
Raga, listen, sometimes she stop eating, listen, and then it come out, but listen, you can't just stop eating the summer blams and say, no, me will get up and I go stop eat the fish and I will stop eat the red meat. And then the next time, no, because she have to cook the red meat. Remember, so we eat red meat, so she have to cook it sometimes for we, if we now go cook. So she have to taste the pot, and if she tastes the pot, it's still for broccoli, so Raga.
All right, well, Biggie, we have 2 minutes before we have to go make them do. But what may I say, though? Biggie, you know, so when people draw, I wish I cuss out over here, and when people draw some sample card for me mature enough to say, yo, no, that one they good. Me get done with that one. Don't you know that about me already?
Right.
Yo, Biggie, me not lie. You see that card where the little girl draw and say, you get your shape in a river. It just yours, Biggie, me not lie. Talk it through. Don't take it bad.
Right, Raga.
No, you remember when I say,
the next man
well on, Biggie. I talk about the girl where them say your man step that time.
The little girl tell you that.
Okay, all right then. No, to talk the truth, don't that card that did rough though.
Yeah, Raga, I never tell you say it never some, but of course, Raga.
Okay, all right then. But that's what I like with you, you fear. Hey, when she bust it, me I tell her, Biggie, I dead. Because I never hear that one day. She say, wait, I gotta get her shape in a river and a bank, no there. That means say your shape does a wagga and a wash so you know, mad. It mad. But anyway, big up yourself, Biggie, you don't know what's up.
Hold on, if the selector man will call and send me fighting at Kingsley, Raga, tell him to come with something else because I don't like Kingsley, I like Burger King.
Okay.
Tell him to come Burger King, I don't get no raw chicken, I'm American chicken sandwich, Raga.
Okay. All right. It's a Burger King, you see.
So tell him they hear the story about fight and them claim to the fight at K&K, but him never catch where them say him just think I can't see him here on the boulevard, Raga. Tell him to check him facts and come with it, Raga.
Okay, because your real name starts with K.
Right, and anyway, Raga, when them go talk about Raga, more you give my mother a idea, for she don't tell her this science is fair for your show so she can educate people about it.
All right, then, Biggie, you say a word here.
All right.
Well, let go, you know, because them all read the news and thing. Everything is everything. Okay, people, that was Biggie. And was a Biggie, as she said she have the sample tart, them as she said rinse out the different things, them and thing and whatever. And big up Biggie, mama. Because she now watch nothing with her eczema and her psoriasis. And we don't know say other people have them similar conditions. We don't need to forget with them and thing. All right, blessings and respect. I will have break. We're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Hey, man, welcome back up in nice sitting. Now we used to mix up and blender, yeah? Alrighty then, alrighty. Okay, here we go. Yo, no, but that card with the little girl it drop on Biggie, you know, it mad. Some girl get them shape in a river and it now in a bank. You know, who never see when river bank bust with? Who never see when river bank bust with? After you get your shape in a river, I don't waka already, and then the bank bust where. May I tell you, say, the imagery and the creativity we get the people use, them cuss out, and them tracing and thing. It's just absolutely poetic. But you know, you're the dirty bossy people, them admit it, you know. You now hear them admit it, say, it's still the same usage of metaphors in very creative ways, we are witness. The cuss out, and I get a thing out. And know me like it, I like them kind of novel thing that will come up, them kind of, innovation in the linguistics, and thing. Where you get your shape in a river and a bank, not there. And of course, delivery is important too, because you can't just say it. So you have to know how to say it, man. Anyway, pregnancy mix-up or any other sample mix-up and thing. Never a dull moment with Biggie, indeed. Never a dull moment with Biggie. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Ragashanti.
Whoa.
Raga.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm pregnant to mix up with you over New York right now.
And New York you call from?
Yeah, man.
All right, send it on the papa. Send it on. Talk in my phone and send it on.
Well, Ragashanti, we know this minister right now. I'm married about 4 different times. Returning secretary. I know Ragashanti we don't have to 20 years, she'll be here now, she's 15. And I'm having my jail right now to give 25 years of prison. 25 years of prison.
Well, on. What is it? Who you saying breed first? The minister. Who breed first? The pastor?
First, breed first. And breeding secretary first.
Breeding secretary, yeah?
First and the wife catch him out 6 in the helper. She threw him out.
So, he married and his wife, catch him have sex with the helper and threw him out, and then him breed the secretary, and then what again?
And then him breed the secretary.
Yeah.
Then the secretary for the abortion and that lady and quiet down. He come back and breed one little young girl and married to her. Then he divorce again.
Yeah.
You are not going from man.
Yeah, man. Go and talk, man, yeah.
Yeah.
And then
the secretary showed that she has got a ticket. Then he go back and breed like a 19-year-old married to her. Before she get proof in it, she murder Mr. Corona and we know that the one. Now he started having sex with one little girl when she was 12 years old. They locked him up about 6 months ago. Now they pick me man and then they did the DNA test. They pick me at 15, now they found out they pick me at 15 months. Then just remand him back in custody.
Hey! Cut out that. You cannot call name. All right. Why him they go jail for first?
Him got jail first to have sex with a minor.
With a minor. And then
after... Yes, him pleading not guilty, she not seeing the picnic. So
then
no, the picnic man no.
Yeah.
The picnic man no, and the attorney general do the DNA. When they do the DNA, they found out he had picnic things, so they lock him up back now in about $50,000 bill.
Okay, cut out that. Oi. Have you, hold on. How long now you listen to the show? Hello? Ruth. Bring him back the car.
Well, he make the water.
No. Oi. Listen. Listen me. Yeah, listen me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, listen. How long now you listen to the show?
Yeah, man.
No, how long now you listen to the show? All right. Then you must know that you're not allowed to... Listen. You must know you're not allowed to call a name and you cannot give the address of the church. Because when you do that, they will come shut down the program and then nobody no get to listen to the program because you do what you do. All right?
All right.
Don't call him name. Do not give the address of the church.
All
right. Good. So him in a prison, you know? Him in a jail, you know?
Yeah, man, him not jail now.
Is that Jamaican?
Yes, man.
And and the church is in New York. What borough?
In church in the Bronx, New York.
In the Bronx, New York. And it's a Jamaican pastor.
Yes, man.
So when them said them out, give him 20. So him did have sex with a little girl from she had 12.
From she had 12. No, she have the thing, she have 15.
Okay. And them do the DNA test and them figure out a film pitney and things and them fling him back in that prison, you know.
They're flinging back in jail no, Raga, because the DNA come through so the pitney and film, Raga.
Why? That is a man who can't control him instrument at all, man. Cannot control him instrument at all.
Yeah, tell you.
You understand? When you gonna sleep with 12-year-old girl from your big pastor at church? Your big pastor at church and gonna sleep with 12-year-old. That's why enough of them, hey, you see how many of them are go on with the things them and whatever. That's why enough of them can't chat to me, you know. That's why enough of them can't chat to me. Oh, that must say. Anyway, blessings and respect here. Alright, think that call or whatever. People want to call, and I don't know if I hide him or hide the voice or whatever, but when I call and think, you can't, particularly if you give mix up on somebody, you cannot call the person name, and you cannot give any immediate address, any clear-cut address where the person lives. You can't refer to an area. However, if the mix-up give we information where we can easily zero in on one person, then you can't get the information there either. All right? And in them cases, we even avoid you giving you the ear. You see it? You don't know, so the old dirty, wicked people them out there tape the show. And I look for where them want to shut down this and that and whatever. So nobody give them no reason to get away with it and thing. Because I tell them that I look at drama, I go down soon and very soon. And whatever. Because we're not afraid of people, but we have to juggle the thing right and protect the thing. You see me? All right? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Whoopin.
I'm chilling. Who this?
This is Sonia.
Who?
Sonia.
Sonia?
Yeah, Tanya.
Oh, Tanya. Your phone, your reception look a bit rough there, yeah?
Yeah. Yes, Raga. Big up to the girl who get the toaster, Raga. I never have nothing for one toast, 2 slices of bun, Raga.
Oh, hold on. Is that man this?
Yes, Raga.
What you say your name?
My name is Tanya.
Tanya? When you're born, that name they didn't give you? Hello?
Yeah.
Hold on. Me say if when you're born, that name they didn't give you?
Yes, that's my name. It's on my birth certificate.
No. You cannot be a man and then give your name Tanya. A lie you tell.
Why not?
You give yourself that name there after you find out say you gay. No.
No, Raga.
Eh?
No,
Are
Raga.
you gay? Are you gay?
Of course, Raga. Nothing wrong with gay, Raga.
No, me just ask. So you are tell me say when you born, them give you name and call you Tanya. Don't ramp with the show, man. Where you come up like you want come.
Raga.
What?
My name is Tanya Johnson.
Spell your name.
Taniya.
And the name that them give when you're born as a man?
Yes, Raga.
Allah you tell man, nobody now give that name there and your boy pit near born and people and call you Tanya. Allah you tell. How I know you get cut off? You get cut off? No, sir. Me not believe that. I not believe that one. Nobody ever see boy pit the barn. And them don't know what is what if they give it or not. And call and Tanya. Allah him tell.
I'm Tanya.
Right? What you think? What you think, Belly?
No, but time same do a name change, but you know.
Yeah, because you don't know we run the show, we say mix up. If you call and say you do a name shit, we don't have a problem with that.
Yeah,
it's your thing, you see me?
He wasn't born a Tanya.
Yeah. No. Well, I could do a time signal. I could do a time. 1 second, Emily. Yeah. Yeah, Belly. You think anybody? Well, on. Emily.
Yeah.
Nah, hear your bike.
No, man, I chew me not. Yeah.
Okay. What may I say? We have some names. There are some names where we know that they are unisex names. Man and woman can get them. Like Tony, don't you?
Or a
like
Morgan.
Tony or Morgan, right?
Yeah.
Which other one again? Yeah.
Alex.
Alex?
Yes. You never hear of woman named Alex?
No, me know people call woman Alex if she name Alexandria.
No, sir, that's
But me don't know if them a get name Alex.
Yeah, man.
But anyway, the
And
point
Jordan.
is you have some name. Yeah, Jordan I want. You have some name. Jordan's a perfect example. You have some name where man and woman can get them. But with all due respect, Tanya and one of them.
Tanya.
Hey, you love
no,
the
but I'm tell you, I wish for I catch my certificate. Why?
No, but hey,
man. But time same do a name change, man.
You know, say people burn me out all the while.
Yeah.
And hear people talk. All right, why say I make it talk? But I know why you come clown or thing and people for idiot. You understand? Nobody come idiot up the thing and come in the line. And the mix up so like did that shot, you know. One woman get one toaster. I never have no bread and just toast inside a bun in night. Man.
Tanya, call back. Call back, Tanya.
No, man. We're good, man. We are telling call back. Yo, but hold on. You see that thing there when I'm talking about with the pastor? Where I see somebody post something and things.
May I see it?
May I see it to go on. So it look like a public knowledge. Well, me never know if a public knowledge. So once a public knowledge, we can't talk about it, you know. Mm-hmm. But me think same they just give you the mix up straight because, you know.
Kind of sound eat it about it too, you know. Yeah, like it cut him deep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like you want people know what's going on. Like him. But hold on, make I see what it say as a people. Just beg a look at patience, beg a look at patience.
It depends on the observer too.
It depends on the observer too.
I see somebody post Barbie
Jamaican born Bronx pastor Michael charged with repeated rape of church member starting when she was 12, even impregnating her at 15. And the people them gone up there with them foolishness, man, and thing. All both.
Yeah, man, observer post it. It depends. Jamaican born pastor on rape charge in New York.
No, but them why them have to put Jamaican born, but then couldn't just say pastor?
Him bad, yeah. Him could have sit it a little more.
Yeah, hey, they wicked. Them could have just a pastor and done it this way. Them have to say Jamaican born pastor and re.
Yeah.
Aye, boy, I don't even know what is what. That is just sad. I tell you, enough of the people in the church are going with the things. I'm only for hypocrisy about.
Yeah,
and
man.
I'm going with a bag of sickness. You understand?
And believe it or not, them for be the role model in the country and all them things. That's why no matter how much church you're going to know God for yourself.
No, but it's enough of them are done me.
All that too.
Done me. You understand? See, me all have one local MP. I go and like him one done me through people find out the things about him. I go and like him one come intimidate me. Mr. Man, we're not afraid of people around here. We're not afraid of people, man. Because we have no ratings here. Because be a damn foolish you talking to. You understand? I ever come step to me, man to man, face me and see what I go down and think. I go and like a bullbuck and up a conqueror and this. Like, I want to some people. One life to live, you know.
Don't.
Anyway, give me our next caller. Hello? Hello? Yeah, we have our next New York caller. Say, yeah, give me our next caller.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Where you calling from? New York?
Yeah, New York, Queens.
All right, then talk up a things. What you say, I know?
Yeah, well, this is my experience. Never son, we are 16, Raga.
Yeah.
And me did young still and everything, and me there with this. It's a selector, you know, we don't call a name.
No name.
First time caller, long time listener.
It goes so, baby. Bless
anyway,
it.
They have a, we used to talk to the selector. And Mr. Raga, I know how them find me, but the next selector find me. I know me young till me nervous and thing, and the big selector one, he used to travel up and down, and him gone about 2 months up come on New York, and me down there, and I talk to one next selector. I Raga, me get pregnant. I Raga, the selector, me there with me young like me, and I go school. I couldn't deal with it, Raga, me I tell him, me not lie. Me end up sleep with the guy, this one with me and him at same age, like the
Saturday morning. You know, so the Saturday night, the one from foreign fly down.
Yeah.
Fly down, we're going to fly down. I sit down right on the sidewalk in front of my house. And I in that come. And I say, Raga.
Hold on. Them time the way to the New York or Jamaica.
No, man, yard, man, down a yard.
Okay, so the one from foreign fly down now, because you don't start out the one at your age in the morning, and then the one,
In the
the
morning,
selector from...
early morning, we are come from dance. 3 o'clock, them time the dance are over 3 o'clock, so we're going to spend about 3-4 hours in our hotel.
Nice. I want to shut
that
at work.
And I tell my friend.
Yeah.
In the night, you know, you go party, sleep and wake and, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah.
In the night, no. So I tell my friend, when I look, see one big truck pull up, when I look at the original man that. The man looking at my face, the man said, I do something the way I'm nervous. So anyway, I'm going to say, Bam, no answer, right? Me I go, so I'm going to go 2 weeks and him cut out now. About 1.5 week to 2 weeks and him cut out.
Hold on. You want him to start out the night there?
The night, yeah, I'm come 2 months, him not see me.
So you want him start out?
Yeah, so we start out and we cut off about 2 weeks.
Okay. What happened?
Anyway, now I go to Baman. Him fly up back now, You know, him a call me about 3 days after. Them time, you know, I'm like, no, we can call as a reach and so.
Right.
So him call me now, when him call me, I say, I have something to tell me. I have something to tell you too, because one of my friends look for my neck. I said to me, I like, oh, you looking at you look like you pregnant.
Wait a minute, look for your neck. Hold on. Look for your neck. I say you look pregnant.
You know what our Jamaica thing, man, whether your friend can look for you so it a beat fast.
So you can look past a woman's neck and know if she a breed?
Yeah, man, that thing the Jamaican people always do.
Me never hear that one day yet, so you can't look on neck and know if somebody a breed. Anyway, go on talk.
Anyway, we have a thing, man. You don't know when it a beat extra fast or whatever, all them say. Anyway, but before me even tell him, I'm going to a clinic, you know.
Yeah.
And when I go to clinic, I say, I'm not sick, none at all. If a woman tell me say me pregnant, me get sick right away.
You see?
And the nurse tell me, say, yes, you're pregnant, positive. You understand me?
All right, yeah.
Anyway, the man from overseas called me. So when him called me now and say, I have something to tell me, say, I have something to tell you too. I'm ready to tell him the truth now, you know.
Right.
When I check, I stop the man. I say, you go first. And him said to me, say, you know you're pregnant. Kind of get my youth yet, you know. I say, you know that me I call to tell you too? Yeah. And I tell my son born until today, dear. I'm going to give him it doing, I'm going to put his name, but from up to today, I'm having say, I see him one, but the little you, there were me and him did go along same way when the other one fly out.
Right.
And I him had the right father carve out everything, because him tell me if I'm pregnant. Carve out everything, but me I tell you say.
Well, who tell you say you're pregnant? The young one?
The young one tell me, him tell me before me even go to pregnancy test.
So him know same breed you before?
That, you know.
Hold on, so like him a one of them Jamaican man that when him get tired or something like so him say, boy, I must breed him, so him tell you say you're pregnant.
Yeah, because he never get no youth like that, for you, but some big boy come up on him.
Okay, me know that. Yeah. So boy come up on him, and when them say boy come up on that means that somebody a breed, so him that's so him know you breed.
All right, but him tell me, so me run him when now, you know?
Yeah.
Run him
but hold on. So when the big shot, the big time selector now did call you and tell you say you're pregnant. What him tell you say you're pregnant in the sense that him believes that him breed you. So one of them must wrong then. So two of them believe them breed you, so one must wrong.
All right.
And you are saying you didn't know say the young boy breed you.
The young one, but if the big shatter one, him have the money.
Okay.
The young one and the money to give me, because me in this, you want to sit to me this start to school, I did that do him last term for graduate. You understand
Okay.
Me?
Oh, so how old you was them time then now?
I was like about 17.
17, okay, Zane.
I was like about 17 and You see, we born, the young one, many born the same year, but him born down in the year.
All right, then, all right. So I'll know the big, all right, I'll know the big selector thing, say him.
Yes, and I want to get a joke, brother. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
I never put in a theme name because right now him a do more than the
For
other
real?
one. My son they here too with me, you know. My son they here with me.
Right,
And the top of selector still they here.
right.
You
A
understand
New
me?
York, no, right? New York, yes,
Yeah,
right?
not New York, in the Atlanta.
In the Atlanta, in the foreign, right?
Yeah, in the foreign. So him still send on and birthday and Christmas and whenever time and visit, you know. But right now, me just feel like say him kinda know, but him not get a youth and just hold it and just say, I hear me no matter. Because me get to draw the name card from him now, me did end up married. So I tell him, say, that I'm a married name.
Oh, okay. But that the time of the name of the young selector.
No, yeah, the name of the young selector.
Right, but you just tell him say you married name that.
Him, you know.
Right. But him never know about the young selector.
Or whatever.
Okay, me see what you ask. So then tell me something now. Help me understand this as a man. You as a woman who want the best for your child, if you have the choice between giving a child to a man who will be a father and a responsible person to your child, who is not the actual father, but giving it to a man who is the actual father, but him workless and not go there for the child and not have no money or anything and just don't even in the child life. If you have a choice to give your picture to one of them, who you gonna give it to?
And I give it to the one where I'm a film father because over the years, I know I do the right thing by putting the name in there because my mother did tell me, but over the years, I get to realize, say, although I'm father, even him to come sit down and talk to him, you know, because him in this correspond with him and, you know, he might get old and he might ask and him and him father favor like twins, so there's no question.
Right.
You understand? But him even tell him father, say, because him and him kick off a day because him father hold money in England, Raga. I'm a big top selector over there now, the young one, you know.
Yeah.
Big top selector. And him still not do nothing for himself. Raga, me not like me are one of them what you call independent woman. I'm a dead to me youth. Them. Me no bother watch father or no father.
Right.
You understand me?
All right.
Him turn big top selector England and him not dead to see him son. Him not dead to see him youth. Him fuck youth. I know some man as them start get other people too. So you see at first, Raga, I never really feel no way because he never have no money down my yard, but him dead with him son. Him dead with him son, up and down, and me I say, yeah, me know me do the right thing. You understand? Up and down. But me
all right. Here I
thing.
know. We have to go all that break and thing, but just stay upon the line here, but we have to go all that break and thing, but respect for your link and thing, but everything good here now differently with you and your youth and the one we are looking for him, right?
Yeah, man, him just know say him not deal with him and him not deal with him because him a whole money and him get other youth.
Yeah.
Him even more now correspond with him.
Okay, no, that's the actual father, right? At England.
Yeah, the actual father, yeah.
All right. Then, yeah, me not go and hold it and go and hold our strength. Here, blessings and respect. Stay upon the line there 1 second.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the set now. All right, pregnancy mix up with any other sample shell don't mix up on have any other mix up on have another call in and give it away, yeah? That's how it thinks. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, Raga?
Yeah, man.
Long time listener, first time caller. Raga, never mix up with you. Raga, more you big up the girl in my community. We're going to start out with the man for $5,000, Raga. After she started out with the man said, nah, I get $5,000, Raga. So she broke him vice. Raga, anyway, it turned out that she a breed now, Raga. And people them say a dopey breed, Raga.
Raga, Friday night, they make up a big sit now fire, I see, Raga. We come out to call fire, Brazil. Raga, them send...
Hold on. Oh, the fire come out. What the fire, what? What them put the fire for the what?
Them say a dopey breeder, Raga. So them have to send for father and send for mother to wash out the belly. Raga, then go buy a goat for how much pose, Raga. And a dozen fowl and cock, Raga, to go kill. Raga?
Because them have to do the things and forget the dopey out there, the dopey we breed out, don't?
Raga, yeah. Raga, them broke up the goat foot them, chop off his neck. Raga, then send go buy a 3 broom, half bag of salt, and a brand new cutlass, Raga.
Well on, 3 broom, half bag of salt, and a brand new cutlass.
Yes, Raga.
And about a dozen fowl and cock.
Yeah, Raga.
And a goat.
Full 3 bath of blood, Raga.
Them have to do what?
Full 3 bath of blood.
When them a do the thing, forget the dopey out there from breeder, don't?
Yeah, Raga, because it's a dopey breeder, but it's not a dopey breeder, Raga.
And a dopey, yeah. So what you mean them broke out the goat foot? What you mean them broke out the goat foot?
Them broke it off, Raga.
When the goat did alive, then kill the goat first. Eh?
Yeah.
Them kill the goat first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Then go and
then she bathe in it, Raga. She have to bathe in her blood. And drink some.
No, well on. Nobody get too graphic because they're not going to like them. They must have picked enough here and something. But what me I say, all them things that when them do, I want to do for get rid of the belly.
To get rid of the dopey belly, Raga.
Oh, because them I say a dopey belly, say a dopey baby.
Yes. But I don't
all this time.
She breed for her next man, Raga. She say the same little boy breed her, Raga. The same little dopey boy, but then a long time she call up the little boy name, Raga. So her mother no want to tell her father she a man breeder, Raga. Then she a dopey. So then
but how old she is? How old she is? She
is 17.
She is 17 now?
Yeah, Raga.
Every year when
she a breed no, Raga. Every year she breed for a different man, then she a dopey.
So she a breed first. She a breed first, she a 15, and every year when she breed them, and she a 17, every year when she breed, she a say, I want to look a dopey boy breed her.
Yeah, the same youth, Raga, the same little boy.
Well, when they say the same youth, it's not the Spanish town dopey boy, it's not the little boy, the Spanish town dopey, I know that dopey.
Raga, I look like a him, Raga. Look like a him. I can't
No, but well, I know. So this time, you know, say, the man what tell I say, I'm going to give her $5,000, I inbreed her.
Raga.
Okay, and then when you say, after him start her out, him not give her the $5,000 because
she broke him she broke him vibes and don't give her it.
What do you mean by she broke him vibes? I start out pop down?
Yeah, Raga.
Oh, so nothing now going for a start out?
Pop down. Yeah, Raga. Pop down bad.
So how you know all of this then? How you know all of this?
Out there, my cousins them live, Raga.
Up there, okay.
Yeah,
what the area?
District, Raga.
No, where what?
Mount Prospect District.
Don't say nothing no more. Well, which parish that in?
Upper St. Andrew.
All right, no say nothing no more. No, but they must be careful with all them things that when them make you drink and not go on with all them things with animal blood and all them something there. And
Raga, all well, them all begs with people. Through the people them not selling their life for, Raga. But they want life for to die.
Or if you cut off the man
tell them we don't want goal if you got the whole, Raga. Yeah, don't call it. Bukutu. They want to go down the goal.
Well, what down in I gully? Where down in I gully? What you mean?
The man send them down there for dig hole with 3 pick. 3 of them must have 3 pick and then run around the fire, Raga, and run down the gully, go dig 3 big hole and run up back, Raga.
And the Obia man tell him to do that?
Yes, Raga.
Then tell me something now. The belly gone?
No, Raga, they have to go this morning again.
Oh, so I sit that fresh sit now go on right now.
This morning.
So fresh mix up this time.
Friday night never strand off.
Okay. So about
I just let the fire out.
So I just said
that. The man tell him say don't out the fire. It must out itself.
The fire for out itself. I saw the OB have to work.
Yeah.
Then tell me something, you know, about how many months you think I belly right now?
I belly have 4 months, Raga.
4 months. You see the belly I show?
Yeah, Raga, but anytime I ask about the belly, she said the man and the boy, the panel.
I the dopey boy breeder. She not tell the truth to the man with the $5,000 breeder.
Yeah, she not tell the truth. I'm not know the truth, but they not tell her father.
All right. Now say a word. Here are blessings to the... All right. Thanks to the mix-up here.
Mix-up to you.
Rinse it quick.
Yeah, more big up my sister. Raga, the big, one day when you talk, the big guy in that store when they lock up people face, the poop, Raga. The sister there want barber shop, Raga, want poop and can't poop, Raga, till she hear about it, because she don't want to get locked up, Raga. I know she have running belly. I know she have running belly, Raga, because she hold it up in her, Raga.
She... No, but she should know that it is not illegal in Jamaica to do that in public.
Raga, she never know. She thinks she out there because she said too much money in her barber shop, Raga.
Tambourine! So we hear it for the... No, man, I find them say, I want place named Malawi in Africa. They want to make it illegal for people to poop. So she thinks that
the law did not pass out here too, but she said she don't want to be forced to get locked up and come and see
So you say she in our barber shop and she want to poop?
Yeah, Raga. I know she have running belly too, she hold it. Because she said it one big one a come and she hold it. I know she sick, Raga.
All right then. Let's say a word here.
Yeah, man, later.
Yeah, man, bless up. Tambourine! Mad. Yo. Yeah, them say, make it be free, for that is what kill Mary Lee. I tell you what, the poor girl, she hear the thing by the radio, I know if you know, say, you know, it's a foreign thing we are talking about. I was think say it's illegal. I say, yo, I'm now look at that one here. Come now, make them come lock me up. Oh, me a hold up. Grung. Hey, so, boy. Tantan, me know you most love that one then. Know you most love that. Marsha Ridge Line, I know you most love that one. Emily.
Go see her sweat.
I say, yo, man, nah, let it go. Look at him. No, lock me up to the
No, I not even lock up in the ear the first, so she don't want to be the first one come on TV.
No, she not. You can't imagine. She did on TVJ. The first criminal pooper.
Hey, and they know that all Jamaicans say, you girl, are you with this sip on TV?
Wasn't it you with the offending posterior? Man.
Lord God.
She can't imagine the India strain. And I sweat and I hold it and say, no, because I hear it for Raga. They might lock up people for
she not smart. She not smart. She just bust a stealth, man. A woman she name in we say stealth.
No, really. Go and bad with that. The quiet one, them won't always a Lego. The quiet one. But anyway, man. Okay, give me a next call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon to you too.
Okay. Long time listener, first time caller. Just want to big up your crew. That's all.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I have a mix-up, but I just want to big up your crew. And I was wondering if you don't realize it was Champagne who was calling you earlier.
Oh, a Champagne a call again and I send internet.
Yeah, invite Raga.
No, sometimes I don't really. But you see, I don't want, you see, I'm foolish, you see, I don't want, you know, I don't want to come call in and I come style up.
That may I say, so I don't know why I'm not Lego. Sure.
Right, and when I want the whole heap of foolishness, because obviously
Right.
if him a call just to hear him voice and, you know, it's a joke thing.
Yeah.
And I we say laugh, learn and grow, but don't come call and joke out the thing. And style. But I'm glad I recognize him.
Yeah, you don't know.
All right, blessings and respect, here.
Same here, sir. Cool.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, when I want, yo, champion, when I can call and come style up the thing and disrespect the thing. Right? Nobody call, man, if I foolishness, yeah. All right? We're not upon that, yeah? We want some good mix-up to make the people in laugh, learn, and grow. So we think it right. So nobody come here, no idiot. Here we go. Good afternoon. Mr. Stewart, I remember the last call I went over there.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Raga, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you quite clear.
All right. Never mix up video to me hear the man talk about pastor. Me have one little cousin, and she not get trouble at school for she about 11 years old. So me know this pastor man, so me tell her mother, say, look, let we go make the man get a counseling because peer trouble she get.
Right.
So anyway, I got to talk to the pastor man and he say, all right, I'm going to do it. So me now carry her a counseling at the man every weekend. That's when she at 12, you know. Right, when she reach about 15, like she the kind of stop get trouble still, you know, but we still make she go because we say that help. When she was 15, we noticed that she had started a career. So we call her one day and we say, so what happened to you? She said nothing. So me didn't lie now and said to her, so somebody tell me, say, yeah, do something. Ray. So she said, oh, a pastor so and so. So me said, lie. So anyway, we find out that she's pregnant. And the mother decided, say, she'll call police, Ray. Me said, what? Me said, look here, nobody with that. Let me tell you what you do. Me go talk to the pastor man. Because, you know, me look on it. Me say, then lock up the man. She never get no help for the baby and the mother don't have it and I need to take care of her financially. So now me decide to go talk to the man and I talk to the man and I say to him, look, me here say you have go club and you have this and that and ray. So what you going to do is you going to take care of the girl. You going to give her 30,000 a month and you going to build one little house, get 1 2-bedroom little house and things. And him do it. Him build the house within 6 months before she have baby. And him give her the $30,000 a month and everything. And now the little girl at 10 years old and everything work out.
But hold on. At what age you start bring the little girl to the pastor now?
From she about 12. From she 11 she start get trouble. But we bring her from she about 12.
So from she about 12 she talk to the pastor. And at what age you kind of pick up certain things?
15. We find out that she's pregnant, actually. But you see, you know why nobody in a look on nothing? For the simple reason she not behave herself at school. She start get good marks, everything. So nobody.
But when you suss out the thing and start to ask questions, about from what age him did start have sex with her?
From she at 12, we get to understand.
So from when I bring her over there for them 3 years, I go right up to when I find out him the pastor asleep with her.
When she get pregnant.
To the point when I find out she's pregnant and thing. But say I sleep with her from when I bring her go to him, right?
Yeah.
And this is a girl, you bring this little girl to the pastor for the pastor help with respect to counseling and whatever and so forth. And then when you bring that now, you reason out the thing and say, well, if you go prison, nobody
well, not going to want to do that in them. Say, no. Because if you go to prison, you don't have no money. I mean, I take care of the girl. I mean, I take care of the girl and a baby. So here what you do, me go talk to him. So me go talk to him because I get the info on him. Say, I go club and ray.
So hold on. The pastor quietly own go club?
Yes, 2.
2 go club, the pastor.
Big pastor.
What?
Big pastor.
And quietly own 2 go club.
2 go club, big go club.
But what the backside here tell? I want the backside here tell me that Master God will right here.
Yeah,
the big pastor.
How much bar?
And several and what?
Road I work for him.
Him all have what?
Woman from the road I work for him. I sell themselves for him.
So the pastor was a done.
I don't know if he was a done, but he get kids because I think we deal with it the right way. Because if they lock him up, Raga, she not going to get nothing. I mean, can't buy no. My little girl.
Hold on. You said this man was a big pastor. Him have 2 go-go club. A holy pop.
Get it wrong, he still is.
Him still is a big pastor. And him have 2 go-go clubs, several barren of women that sell themselves for him, right? So,
more business now, I'm not too interested to sign out our.
oh, me know what that code them mean. Leave it there, so.
Yeah.
Me know what that code them mean.
Yeah.
What? I saw him I go. But the pastor is that.
So them not to lock him up, because I'm going to tell you where them they want. Them they want a fast money, about 50 grand and a lock him up. I say, no, idiot. Make him man take care of the picnic. And he send her at school. Oh, she have a bachelor's degree. So I forgot to tell her she got university too. 2
Which university? Which university she end up go?
University of the West Indies.
And she get a bachelor's degree?
Yes.
And she have her house?
She have a 2-bedroom kitchen, veranda, and bathroom. And him buy. In a fair name.
In a fair name, everything in a fair name.
Name when she reached 20.
When she reached 20, oh.
Yes.
And when she go university, him pay fair go you?
Everything, Raga. Everything, because if Raga is your third penny, he stands to lose worry. So I guess he got 8 more years to take care of her.
8 more?
8 more.
Why you say?
Okay, 18 him done. So it's an agreement to sign, you know?
Oh, at that time say she reach 18 him done?
Done. Because you don't know so that the last year, see, a man to say, boy, I'm a walk away.
Okay.
It's all good for you still, because guess what?
But hold on. So, in retrospect, when you look back on this right now, given that this man basically they committed statutory rape on this girl at 12 years old, basically him rape a child.
Yes,
right? Hold on. In his capacity as pastor, a minister, pastor of the church, he rape a child. And when you look back on it right now, and you see how the thing turn out, you still believe that you didn't make the right decision with what you do?
Yeah, yes and no. It's wrong because I should have reported him. But if me did report him, guess what? The people that suffer and she that suffer, and she wouldn't have a bachelor's. Put it away there. So, me do something wrong in a way and then it is right in a way. Because when them didn't want a $50,000 and if he go to jail, then all not going to stay in a jail and take care of the picnic.
And if he go to jail, you don't want to get the $50,000. He would have said, well, if I go to jail, I want to let me not go to the $50,000. I don't go to jail already.
So in a way, I know it's wrong, but in a way, the right thing me feel for me do.
And him send on the $30,000 every month after that.
A little bit over almost $2 million in a savings alone.
In a savings alone, almost $2 million.
In places, schooling, university, everything. And he still has to send on the 30 a month.
Hold on there. 1 second. Root. 1 second there, yeah? All right. Yeah, man, yeah. You know, say, I look like the caller gone, man. Caller gone, I never done talk to her. Caller gone. But people don't hear me telling all the while, say, life is lived in the gray area. Some people would like you to believe that life is black or white. But life is lived in the gray areas. Well, given that, you know, the thing work out the way it work out, the pitney no hungry. Pitney been getting $30,000 a month for 10 years now and will be getting it for the next 8 years according to, as per the agreement. The mother was paid for to go right through the University of the West Indies. She now has her degree. She never have to worry about school fee. The mother they have a 2-bedroom house and thing, apparently furnished and whatever. Over the years of getting the 30,000 a month, I have somewhere near, she said 2 million now. Each year is somewhere around $360,000, right? 360,000 times 10. That is basically $3.6 million. So along the line, somewhere around 1.6 spent and somewhere around 2 million saved. So you can see where mathematically it's feasible and can be true. and thing. But some people are gonna look on it and done it and say, no, rape, and what I'm doing, particularly in his capacity as pastor. And thing, what I'm doing, like, you know, should I get punished sheet and thing. Other people are gonna say, yo, big and serious, you know. I'm doing wrong and whatever, but he did take care of certain things, enter in an agreement and hold it and whatever, this and that. I want that crazy. Why? For real, that one that crazy. Money. You see, this is sitting there near money. Remember me tell you, man. Pastor, big pastor. Big pastor for real too, you know. You see? Big pastor at church and quietly hold several go-go club and things. And from your own go-go club, you know. Most owners of go-go club always have some arrangement on the prostitution side there also, you know. The money come in and thing and whatever on several bars and sickness. Crazy thing. We're gonna take a break and we'll soon forward. We'll go back to the phone line scene. Soon jump back.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Welcome back in I sitting. Welcome back in I sitting. How we say mix up and blender straight, mix up and blender entertainment and thing. Why that mix up there rock up the people them? It's a good while now, I say mix up split opinions down not the middle basically, you know. Like half a owner agree, half a owner say no it should not. Half a owner make some argument and I say yo the thing alright and thing. Well, I don't know if any have any other opinion on it, and feel free for calling and rings. You see? Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Raga, I have a mix-up for your friend with us calling a talk about with her mother and inquiring a dove cat.
Yeah.
When I hear her calling Raga, I think she did go say the mix-up about the pregnancy. Raga, I call for sleep St. Elizabeth. Your friend Raga is supposed to know who me attack. She didn't one man done your Raga and she done about a couple weeks, Raga 2 weeks, and she tell the man say she pregnant. Anyway, Raga, many man a cousin, but show me know about her background and thing Raga. Me I say no sir, we can want to look a party and before she a drink and dance. Me I say no, but you know did so.
What she did that drink? What she did that drink?
She had drink Heineken and Guinness and them something there, Raga. And she had dance, Raga, one school function.
What kind of dance? Like good dance and thing and
back? Raga, a split. I know say pregnant woman no split.
Hold on. When she had dance, she did a split and all them things there?
Yes, Raga, she had the things there because who the man did have one woman down here, Raga.
Yeah.
Because the girl, someone say, a girl not pregnant, Raga, and then something there. I want to fight the girl the same very night. And I'm afraid, Raga. But anyway, the girl and the guy can look over she, but right now the girl gets pregnant for one different man.
Okay.
Raga, anyway, Raga, my kind of people attack things about her and she. So anyway, she's still now till 2 months now, and I can't see no belly. So people are telling man to run away her because no belly no come. Anyway, Raga, the man take look color. You're supposed to know me and me, Raga.
The man do what?
Take look color low.
Yeah. Me know the code. Yeah.
Alright, Raga, so the man again no money at all, so the man hide the money. You know your friend Raga, she keep the man $5,000 underneath the mattress and hit the way at Kingston. Anyway, the man don't know about it because the man look for the money and ask him brother so if he put down money at the so. Anyway, the man call him and thing and he say, and she took up the money. Anyway,
well, in call her ask her about it.
Yes, and she said she don't know about the money. Anyway, Raga, when the baby now get 3 months and something now, and we are tease my cousin and say, when them and something. Anyway, and call the girl and ask the girl about the belly. Anytime I come from the belly, she didn't know dealings there so. So we start again, and thing. Guess how your friend say, Raga? She say a twin. She do ultrasound and a twin in her belly. Twin in her belly, twin. And for 3 months, no Raga, until now. She no come back until now, Raga. When time we call her since last year and ask her about the belly, she say she lose the picking Raga.
What you say, what?
When we call her last year, we tease the man so much because the man say, all right then, fire, breed, and a man, he remind it. So when the man call him now, straight front now, if he mind picking, if he picking a Raga and I see him, he remind him, she says she lose the belly.
So I can't, so,
have no belly.
So in your opinion, I can't, should I call him the whole time?
Call me cousin, Raga, call him.
I wish
So
part
when
this
he
take place.
Yes,
Where you say
Raga?
I don't have slipe, St. Elizabeth?
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
Call me cousin.
Okay.
I know no picking he can come and he take him man money, Raga. I know.
Okay.
You know what kind of belly that Raga, if a fast belly or the baby can or a one.
No, sir. Me can't believe Biggie would do that. Me cannot believe Biggie would do that.
I shall confront the car true.
So I'm going to ask Biggie because me cannot believe that Biggie would do that. Me feel said this.
To the belly where she did the guy. If the belly still there, don't ask like St. Elizabeth.
Don't ask like St. Elizabeth. And now your cousin, okay. So your cousin didn't mind Biggie and I give Biggie money for the
She gets
belly.
no money, Raga. Money. But if 2 people are telling him things and whatever, he cannot easy for the girl, no one hide him.
Oh.
But the girl a search her room and I take away. She have one son, Raga. If you don't believe me, she have one son.
Then hold on, then between me and you know, so you're a little cousin within Kalalo hustling then, not in a big something then.
How big something, Raga? I tell her she get enough money.
She get enough money because I look at Kalalo hustling there, her.
Yes. So the man no one know.
Hold on. I will if people ask kind of question, them not really pick up the Kalalo code, so I'm going to put it at a local way for them kind of pick up, alright? People, we're using code. It is said that St. Elizabeth have some of the best Kalalo. You don't understand now? I hope you understand now. It's common knowledge that St. Elizabeth have some of the best Kalalo. You don't get it now? I put it that way, the green bush. Anyway, go on.
Raga, then they tell the Kalalo was sell for price of $5 grand a pound for Kalalo.
Okay. Some money that run. Yeah, you want wait, you know.
But you know why?
Between
me and because
hold on. Okay, because from last year till now, Kalalo scarce, you know, man.
Right, Raga.
Me sure you hear about that. Kalalo scarce, because we in the street and we know what go on and the people, the youth, them a ball and I'm not Kalalo for putting on the hand, because Kalalo scarce. You understand? But anyway.
Raga, see, working on my cousin, he will want picking in a Raga, because he always tease me. But you see, when the girl go in Raga, she have this all-in-one blue jumper suit, Raga. She bought from the top but straight to the bottom. How can a 3-month belly button from top to the bottom, Raga, and I want tight blue jumper suit, Raga?
Well, some belly smaller, some belly smaller. But we know some people tell lie on belly. No, we see somebody show one belly what year and I talk about a 2 months belly. Everybody say a lie because the belly look like a 5 months. Hey! Whoa!
But she have belly, Raga. She have belly last year. I know she can't have chicken, Raga. Right now, I tease my cousin.
Then she
can't have bikini.
But I cannot believe. No, sir, we have to call back.
Raga, she have calling and tell her, Raga. Ask her about the big head boy at St. Elizabeth.
What you think she going to say? What you think she going to say?
She going to tell her, say, you know, tell the man, say, no, but did that carry man or something. But he tell the man, say, he's pregnant. But he's a wise girl. You see, when the belly go up in a month, she pack her things, them and move.
When the belly are what?
Like Raga, she go with him belly 3 months now. Kind of say 4 months belly happy sure.
Right.
So she pack her things and go away.
So them can
again.
So you accuse Biggie of what?
So you are a district named Vineyard and she not come a slap St. again. She not come a slap a Vineyard. She not come down here again.
I've been here, she always go because of this, so our people them there, don't?
Right, and friend them introduced him.
Okay.
But the owner friend them now say, yeah man.
No, but hold on. Una did ask him if the sort out did good.
Raga, in the river house with the man.
What?
Live a house with the guy, Raga.
She did live a house with him, but me I say he never tell her if the sort out did good.
You see when she a country girl, she tell the girl
Yeah.
all kind of things and whatever and say, oh country girl them can know and town girl they know for do this and do that and whatever kind of view.
I them thing they big it down there telling people that the town man can start up better than country woman.
Right, Raga. Me say
What
the
you
time,
think?
Raga, I want school with the go. Want school to function and when you see girls so much Raga, me say, oh God, me say for the girl. Me say I told my cousin on no good something.
Oh, that's so then between me, then me I ask you, him never tell you nothing about her sort out yet. Your cousin?
Yeah, no sir. But to me, look like he started out the alright because she always a boss pan a big head guy.
Pan a big head guy.
Yeah, I never really want to call him still.
No man, we understand. But it look like Biggie can him for true, man.
But Raga, yes, when time I hear she call about the dove cat, I think I should talk about pregnancy because that's the topic. Because first time I call for your sure, Raga, I know
see,
mix up and like that still, you know.
You see, now man mix up every way in Jamaica, you know, man.
No,
But
man,
move
with the color thing, Raga, I see you thing because you see they have one special dance that happen in March. Me say the girl them don't get Raga, them just dash it out so you look a bit of color money.
Oh, so you have a special big guy. Well, you can't actually call a dance to the Kalalo dance, right?
Yes, Raga.
And at them time the woman them fling out the thing, them forget the money, don't?
Sell it, Raga. Sell it as a Jadi blue something, Raga.
Oh, so them
Jadi blue something with the color loop on it.
you only one who say you what? Hold on. You only one who say you do what?
Jadi blue something, Raga, with the color loop on top of it.
All right, now say another word. Don't say another word. And I be a mix-up go on this, so don't it?
Be a mix-up. Any amount of money, you can buy one suit and one here at them that.
At them that.
Right.
So the Kalalo man them, the Kalalo man them flood with the thing that dash out upon them, don't?
Right.
Oh, it goes so. All right, let's say a word here.
Raga, you know what happened? I want to big up one girl, Raga. I'm not call her name. True bike ride, Raga, RR. True RR. Them not up good them things and the man no want them.
Okay. R&R, them that the hype bike them, don't?
Yes, Raga, the under seat them.
The under seat them and whatever. So them girls just love bike, man, don't?
Right, Raga. One of them are my husband to be, Raga. But me I tell her saying all that tell me say he got girl them still me not to pay them no mind. As I go room, them jump on the back of them that. Nothing at all, just a bike ride.
So when you say you have some girl out there, all you have to do is just rev the bike and them say, you see, they take you down.
Right.
Tambourine. You say some girl out there, them just want you, brum. See, they take me.
Right, Raga, right.
Well, you know a long time thing that do, you know. You have some girl, them just weak for bike, man, you know. For a longer while. From me, I go school, you know. Hey, well,
the girl gone so low.
No, man, let me tell you something. You have some girl, you have a spanking brand new Mercedes Benz. Top of the line, whatever. And them would rather take the bike, man, than the man with the Mercedes. You have some woman, them say when them ride on bike and come off, them just want to start out right away. It's a need for speed thing. It say turn them on. I know several young women, them say anytime they ride on bike, them just want to dash out the sitting right after, and them just love bike, man, and all them things. A long time sitting, man. Long time sitting.
Rather, if you tell you the truth, then girl, have to go take away from me. Come in love the bike riding, come in love when the bike can move, and them a dull hit. Before that hit, Raga.
Oh. Then if you not ride for your man bike, you know, think say other woman have to ride for your man bike.
Then that me I tell you, Raga, if you not listen to me, I tell you.
So you say, true, you not ride for your man bike, and that woman ride for it for you?
Yes. But me love them, Raga, me love them. Because just a bike ride. Because you see me, you know, Raga, me used to things. Me and him a come from scratch. So back no fool me.
Okay, so you have other important things where keeping a relationship together when I have nothing to do with bike ride. So your thing bigger than for them thing. For them thing has some careless thing. I one ride and them get shelled down and I eat that, don't it? All right.
No,
That's how you think, sir.
Not even money, Raga. Because my money tell them more fame.
Mad! Then
what
on then on that?
Can't stand to me. You know,
Okay.
right now, me and him, Raga, we don't know good grounds, you know, because he's the on the street like Rolling Stone. I mean, I'm a church thing. You see me, I tell you, Raga. So when him up on the road, no, I laugh, me laugh after him. And when him a coming back, come here, God, dance, I look for sport. And he come out me yard, I come start up in bed, I just laugh after him. Me say me, that the salt bike there, you must have mad. You have to go refurnish again, wipe it off with local bleach and disinfection.
Wipe it off with little bleach and disinfection.
Yes.
All right, that I buy.
Right.
Yeah, put some disinfectant on it, I think. Anyway, blessings and respect here.
Yeah, man. All right, Raga. I want
right,
to
take
because
care.
I want to know what making this because like that.
You want to know why she this your cousin like that and how can your cousin them with it, don't you?
Right. And what
Okay,
kind of
you know
thing is that?
And what kind of bet? You know, say Jews not pop up here now, don't it?
Yes.
All right, that's the word here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, blessing. Man, mix up and say, look like, why? You look like Biggie rinse a can for the man, the man. Biggie, come give with the 100. Come give with the 100 for that one. Oh, for Jesus. No, because seriously, from a long time, you know, you have some woman of them say bike, you know. You have some woman of them say fast and furious car. Them just get a one drive in night and I eat that. And them say, oh, it will light up for you. See, they take it. They have some woman, man, from me I go school, man, you see some youth, man. From me I go Calabar and all of me, they have some youth that ride bike, man. Like, there's some woman at Dunrabin and Merle Grove, and some Queens woman and thing, and some quiet, some immaculate girl and all them thing. I just bike, man, they love. I know we know about this, you know. You're right, you know, we know a crew of woman right, you know. Them say, boy, you don't even understand when we go up on bike, because we come on, honey. That them say. Anyway, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
How you doing?
Well, me all right, you know, never.
Interesting day.
Yes, man.
All right. No, that's why them not go like you too tough.
You see?
Because you and Mr. Mixup.
Long
you mix
time.
the good and the bad. Now,
You
watch
see?
this.
Yeah.
We do some calculation.
Eh.
That girl will go at the university and get her whatsoever. About how
Yeah.
old she is now. Make we say she is 18. 18 years ago, we never have...
No. She can't. What you mean? Which one?
All right.
The mother, the one who they get.
The daughter.
No, well.
Is the daughter pass her scholarship? Or is the mother?
The mother, man. So the mother going to be about, the daughter 10 now. The daughter about 10 now.
years.
The mother, they're around 25, 26,
All
around
right.
this.
So, hold on. So the daughter 10 years old.
Yeah.
All right. So she still has some about 8 more years.
8 more years at $30,000 a month.
Plus. 30,000 plus.
30,000 plus, yeah.
Because the plus is the school fee and whatsoever. You understand that?
I guess, right,
Now,
yeah.
Make we find out if it's wrong or it's right.
Yeah.
I can't tell what that lady they say. They might be wrong. This pastor, powerful and rich, time long rob church, we might rob the members. He might have prostitution ring, and he might have everything. I convict him. So listen.
Yeah.
You take the easy way out, which might be the right way, because the amount of little girls younger than that, with some big official they with, now go like the program, because they're afraid of the truth, and them living lies. So me say, everybody wants to sue people for the truth. And the more you talk the truth, the more the children of the devil, if he not exist, hate you. And me said, don't stop mix it. Because
all right,
what all Mary show.
Yeah.
What all it, all right. When me there, which part me there and say some 9-year-old, 8-year-old, me want them do a little trick for me. When the picnic them little girl children and little boy children come to school, send them go get a test and find out from them from whence them come, and then take DNA and find out of what they with them, and then set the whole place now erupt. You all right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You
Hello?
all right?
Hello?
Hello,
Okay.
get bright.
Hello? Get bright.
All right.
All right, Neville.
That's another word.
To the world, my king. Blessings, Neville. All right. Here Neville said, go and rinse out the mix-up and make the truth come on. Some people are uncomfortable with some of the truth. They will come up on that show. You see? When I look for them, you know, I do the thing. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. Yeah.
Afternoon. One question. With what happened to the young lady when she was 12, can it still be reported like how she's an adult now?
It would be what they refer to, when a crime is committed, you have a thing that they call a statute of limitation, where the crime can be reported up to a certain period, but the statute of limitations are different for different crimes. So you may have one where the statute of limitation is 10 years. After 10 years, if you find out about it, you can't report it or whatever. I don't know what the statute of limitations are for that, to be honest with you. Yeah?
All right, thanks.
Yeah, man, bless you. A very interesting question, yeah, whatever. But I'm not a lawyer. I'm not in a judicial system. We'd have to have somebody qualified to help us understand it. It's like, how long after a rape occur are you allowed to report? You know, some of them, the statute of limitations is 10, 15, 20 years. I don't know. I don't know those things. I have to get somebody. But the road, check that out for me, in particular rape, because I'm sure you have quite a few people, in particular women, who would be interested in knowing the answer to that question.
And the man where they come from Clarendon, where he say a tree woman at Clarendon. You know what? No more from Clarendon.
Yeah, man, the man when I like Beanie Man.
Yes, man. Me want you call about the man there, no, God, no, because you see that day they were making me sleep. Because me laugh to me actually, people myself.
We have him number. We have him number.
Me say call him for that day there, you know. And me can't get to tell us, boy, me really want to hear the man there again.
No, man, we have him number, man.
Me want to give the man that talk, you know, because me first, me tell him, say me like Beanie Man, you know. Because me don't want to hear what he want to say, you know.
You understand?
Hey, me have one niece, Kedin, man.
Yeah.
She love listen to you, man. The first time me come home, she say, boy, me listen Raga, you know, man, and the man from Beanie Man, man. Me say, yeah, man, me I call Raga and tell Raga so me want to get back the man there.
You see?
Yeah,
yes,
man, the man there,
yeah.
The man there not easy.
Hold on. You see that day there? You see that day there? That day there, every college shot that day there, you know. Every college shot.
The man saying like nothing I be.
The man said him not like no woman from Clarendon because the whole of them like Beanie Man.
The whole of them say, well, me want to meet him in a rather come here. I tell him to me like Beanie Man.
Man said Beanie Man mash up in life.
Yes, man. And him say, you went to the raga. But how? If that the woman they went there with, where the woman come from? St. Elizabeth or Manchester?
Yeah, one
next. Like Beanie Man, he might put her out in the night, you know.
Out the door fair.
No,
out
man.
the door
When
fair.
you get by the man, the rather glad.
All right.
Want to listen to him again, star. The man,
We're going to try to talk to him here. I'll see if Ruth can find him, you know? Yeah?
Yes, man. Come and niece, the Kedin like hear you. When he call, man,
right.
Kedin say like you, the man they talk.
All right, that's our word. Your blessings and respect, man. Cool.
Yes, rather. All right, cool.
All right, cool. And I brother I call, brother say I'm nothing with being a man, because every woman them there with and thing. Them love her being a man and to mash up in relationship. The man end up a fair lick down one with a pot cover himself because the whole drama. She watch being a man video and him not dep on that. He might tell her to turn off the TV, she watch being a man video and I want to and they turn up in a drama or whatever and he end up a lick down with pot cover and all them thing there. Man say being a man too hype, man. Him say, Beenie Man have a thing where him just go on a thing and I make the girl them a love him after him. Don't like that. The man burn out that. Say, Beenie Man, for stop going on and make the woman them love him after because it's a mash up relationship. Yo, talking about that. I want to ask about the little drama there. We're going to the hospital and think. I get all kind of accounts about it, you know. I get, you know, in terms of being a man there at the hospital and we hear say, not no fight never go on, people, no fight never go on. But we hear say, look at tension they did it with the angel and Carleen, you know. And I look at drama go down and we get some different input on it. And remarks are passed and word are true and all them things. Well, I tell you the truth. It's the truth, I hear things on both sides. I don't even have to get in it. I don't even have to get in that one. I leave that one alone and just take the break right now. We don't even have to get, but safe to say, some tension did it for a long time. And a whole heap of drama, a talk up, you know, about, you know, how a woman supposed to respond to Beanie when I'm in a hospital, if you're a baby mother or you're a wife. All kind of things that are, but me I leave that one the right. So you see, I will have break. We'll soon forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back, you know, I said, welcome back. Renice, go easy, yeah, kill the war, go easy, right? We've been trying to get Biggie and thing, but Renice, yeah, that too much. You see, when the show go on, the wall have a flow, people get them input and thing, but what you are doing right now, it kind of flood the wall, yeah? Renice Edwards, go easy. We've been trying to reach Biggie and we can't reach her, okay? Okay, we have attorney Margaret McCauley online, and she's going to help us understand the statute of limitations surrounding sexual abuse against women. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, attorney McCauley. How are you doing?
So, and you?
Okay, I am hanging in there as best I can. Listen, we have a situation here where a minor was raped at the age of 12, statutory rape that is, and at the age of 12, and certain things ensued after that made the story interesting. But a caller wanted to know how long after can rape be reported, and after it has occurred, obviously. Yeah.
Well, there is no fixed period for a report of rape. Or in fact, any serious criminal offense. The only thing that logic demands is that you report it as soon as you possibly can so that the evidence needed to prove the offense can be properly collected.
Okay, so if feasibly then a lady can report a rape that occurred to her, that occurred 25 years before or something like that?
Yes, but whether or not there could be sufficient evidence to prove it is another matter.
Okay.
Yeah,
but
and
the point is,
if there won't be, there's no point in the police wouldn't take it as a sufficiently serious report to take it to court because they wouldn't be able to get the cogent evidence together.
Attorney McCauley, are you aware of any incident involving these set of dynamics here where, a lady said, well, a rape occurred on her many years before, and she has finally reached a point where she feels empowered now, to get some justice with regards to what occurred to her? Are you aware of any incident along those lines?
Not in our jurisdiction.
Oh.
Not in our jurisdiction.
Not in Jamaica. Not in Jamaica.
No.
Because I know that you are, these are matters that you have to deal with for many years now. But what does that say, though? Does that say something? Should we be concerned there that we don't have a situation where women who were raped long before are coming up now and demanding justice? Because
well, maybe when the new act comes into operation, we might be, because under the new act, corroboration is not necessary.
Could you just elaborate on that? a little bit and tell
Well,
us what
under-
is
under the offense
what is it the corroboration requirement now, and why is it faulty that it is now being eliminated? Yeah.
Well, under the Offences Against the Persons Act, you have to have corroboration of your report of having been raped, and that generally means that you reported the fact of the rape to somebody shortly after it occurred, and so they can corroborate what state you were in, how you appeared, and so on. And that if you, for instance, you know the identity of the person that you stated is John Brown who raped me, and you looked, as if you had been raped and behaved in that kind of fashion, or two, that you went straight to the police, they sent you to be examined medically, and the medical evidence reports underline the fact that you had been sexually violated, and so on. That would be sufficient.
So as the law stands right now, if a woman was raped 10 years ago and then she said, you know what, I'm going to report this rape now, but she did not tell anybody that she was raped when it occurred 10 years ago, thus not having the corroboration requirement, as the law stands right now, it don't even make sense she go report it then.
Well, the fact is that the record we have of convictions of sexual offenses is not very high. Jurors seem, for some reason, reluctant to convict too often. So I would think that in those circumstances, to get a conviction will be very, very difficult in Jamaica.
Very, very difficult because it's already...
It's so difficult for jurors to accept the word of a woman that she had been raped by John Brown, as opposed to John Brown saying, no, I didn't rape her, or yes, we had sex, but she consented. They're more inclined to believe John Brown than to believe the woman that she had been raped.
Interesting. Isn't
it?
And yes, and I would imagine...
Tell me what that says for our thinking.
And, sadly, we shouldn't be surprised if we're cognizant of how people think already in Jamaica about these things, that it's not surprising that we have that reality in the judiciary, in the judicial system here and so forth. So you said the law is now changing and
there's a Sexual Offences Act, but I don't think it's yet in operation. They're waiting for this to have regulations to set up these sexual offenders register.
But has the law been ratified? Is it now law, though?
The
new act.
I think it's been assented to. In fact, whilst I was talking to you, I was trying to find my copy, but I can't seem to place my hand on it.
So both houses have signed off on it, and it is now law with that amendment.
Yes, but I think it comes into effect on the day to be designated by the minister.
Okay, the Minister of Justice in this case, right?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Okay, again, Attorney Macaulay, thank you so much for always being there for us on very short notice and helping us to understand these.
Yes, it was extremely short notice. Anyway,
I am sorry. And you're always there for us, but so thank you so much, Attorney Macaulay.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Interesting. So, on the other thing they said, all the law it said is that if a woman get raped long time and want to report it, she had to have what they call corroboration. She had to have told somebody back in at the time when it happened, say she did get raped. And pretty much, she never tell somebody that. It don't even make sense she got reported because what the attorney is saying that she wouldn't even win the conviction anyway because it's already, the attorney Macaulay is saying, it's already a low percentage of cases that get conviction where men are accused of being raped, which is quite telling, Perhaps we need some changes in that regard. Okay, to the phone line we go. Ruth, did I get bigger there? To the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello. What Uncle Raga?
Yes, greetings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Jamaica.
Well, lad, are you about to be the man something?
I don't know about that. I'm not even like hearing him, sir.
You don't even like hearing him name?
Yes, sir.
So you not get over it yet. You're not cool with Beanie Man now. You're not alright with Beanie Man, you know.
I don't know what the uncle had that you will look out panning with the and will come on the Ghana St. Elizabeth that he will come back, sir.
Not the one who go St. Elizabeth to come back because you come talk about the things about Beanie.
Yes, sir. My neighbor call him and tell him you're an idiot, sir.
Your neighbor do what?
Call him man St. Elizabeth and tell him you're an idiot.
Say you're an idiot? What you mean you're an idiot? I don't understand. So when I tell you, say you're a madman, you're an idiot, you're a fool, that's why she left.
She not come back, sir, for me to see Beanie Man for nothing. Just to me a Beanie Man song, them and sing about woman.
Then, alright, tell the people why you don't like Beanie Man. Tell the people why you don't like
Beanie. You go on and salute them, in a VIP, you know, in VIP, you know, sir. You know, in all the pirate food, like you fly plane, and a white, you know, sir.
What, him have a little wine and soup? What you say about Beanie and Rebel Salute, what?
One time, I move out and mash down the place.
Yeah.
In a VIP, brother. I'm being in a while, go pilot suit, man, fly plane, and in a fight plane, couldn't do all right. When my brother mash down the place, my brother, let me look at him.
Yeah, but what Beanie Man did, Beanie Man, him did not do anything wrong at Rebel Salute. But Mama can't call Beanie Man suit a pirate suit. Beanie Man have the money in banks.
Can you fly plane, sir?
Him what?
You know fly plane, brother.
Oh, pilot suit, one pilot suit. No, but Beanie Man wear that type of clothes all the while, you know.
I'm not playing with that, sir.
You know what?
I'm not playing with that, brother. I fly plane. You know, with the music.
Okay. You say when family man wear them pilot suits and the captain at the him finna play him not finna music, don't you?
Yes, sir. You said if them could have done him playing red in tune, but I show no video on TV because them think they mash up my love blind, brother.
You are saying that you allow them to play him tune them, but them must show none of Beanie Man video them because if video them a mash up man and man love life. How Beanie Man video mash up? How Beanie Man video mash up? Tell me how Beanie Man video mash up your love life, you know. You tell me that.
You won't sit down, sir. And you buy your bed, and you buy your TV, no rather. You turn on your TV, no, sir. You see a lot of man there tell you, say, how about your woman lifestyle and a DJ, and you woman in the mark out, you are not paying no attention, no rather. Them think the story, no rather.
But when I ask you, don't the woman them love Mavado to them love Vibes Cartel to them love Kiprich to them love Busy Signal and all of them have video. Why you pick Pan Beanie Man?
But the man is different man. The man is different man from Beanie, sir.
No, but me say, you have a whole heap of woman love of them artists they too. Why you pick Pan Beanie Man? Why you have a Beanie Man and say Beanie Man video them and mash up people love life? Why Beanie? I have other artists too we have video on TV too.
Brother, 2 TV that they mash up already, I don't know if the music are part here, 2 TV mash up my house already, and because you know.
2 TV you mash up already, and because of Beanie make you mash up 2 TV. You don't even want to say it for the ear. Yes, sir.
My woman, them did a research that one time, then they pay me attention, them have put on Beanie Man song and did not pay me no attention, and they call eruption, so I have to just mash up them, brother.
When you want attention from your woman, them a give Beanie Man the attention and you cannot deal with that. And that a mash up your relationship.
Yes, some brother, you know the thing. I'll Beanie Man now buy food come here.
Tambourine! Beanie Man now buy food come here yard and them a pick and I give Beanie Man so much attention. Eh?
You know the reason why I go and Rebel Salute and go and VIP in Raga.
Why?
I watch 2 Philip woman come for St. Elizabeth and look good enough and me go and VIP and have a keen look there, you know. And I just walk up and down, we see my walk up and down, you know, brother. But you know, look at
who you see?
St. Elizabeth.
Who you see a walk up and down?
Beanie Man.
Oh, you see Beanie Man a walk up and down?
Yeah, man, in our white suit, brother.
So you say you just watch to see if you go draw for your woman because your woman come from St. Elizabeth and Rebel Salute in a St. Elizabeth. Eh?
Me don't think that they know him in personal, brother.
Oh, okay. But you feel say anyhow she see him, she could have want him to and come try for and mash up that relationship you two, eh?
St. Elizabeth woman not too bad enough, I don't see we can want them for a client that you just them the one they trouble, brother.
Okay, I see them 3 different women where there that client and them love have Beanie Man, don't it?
Yes, sir. The only thing come for Clarendon good Raga, a full manure.
The only thing we come from Clarendon we're good is full manure.
Yes, sir, that's how you dash pan and picture be running thing there.
Tambourine. All right, Papa, but probably one day you will reach a point where you know no more problem with Beanie Man here.
Him man love white too much, Raga.
Him love white too much?
Yes, sir.
But anyway,
yes, I know
blessings
Licky
and
Man
res-
vehicle still.
Eh?
I know Licky Man vehicle still, Raga.
Right, L.A. Louis, lick Beanie Man vehicle. All right, blessings. We're going to call you back one next time, here?
Yes, Uncle Raga. Big up yourself.
All right, Papa, blessings. Man, they just not feel Beanie Man at all. Right? From the first call till I call, and the man said 3 relationship. The Beanie Man called to mash up one thing.
Yes, sir.
Right? The man, yeah, right, Emily, the man
Yes,
said,
sir.
oh, them always a give Beanie Man, the woman, them always a give Beanie Man too much attention. And you know, say, well, if a man can't deal with woman who like her celebrity and artist and everything. For real, you know, Emily?
True, sir.
Why you don't go about your business? Man, nah, feel nothing for doing Beanie Man.
Hey,
But I don't know
up in
why.
our feelings, you know, man.
No, but what I say is, look how much woman love off the Gully God. Look how much woman love off the Gaza King. Look how much woman love off Busy Signal. Look how much woman love off Sizzler. Look how much woman love off Kip Rich. Look how much woman love off Assassin. Turbulence. Look how much woman love off the man. Why am I pick pan Beanie Man?
I don't know what's up.
You know, hear the man say, the only good thing will come from Clarendon a full manure. He rank.
No, man, that man, the up in our feelings to be in here. I don't know.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Nah. Yo, you could all walk past him and you say, Zagan, is a chop you get, you know?
No, the man say no deal with nothing we start with being. Nuh-uh. He
You
don't
see
even
it?
call him woman be. Not even baby. He say, sweetie.
No, he wants to not call him baby, you know, because I start with B.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm queer a big ass, you know. Biggie.
Raga, what should
Yeah.
I really can that boy for true? Raga, you said my teeth $5 grand. Raga, $5 grand, you said that time there was phone a call money. Raga, before my teeth phone a call money, when I teeth phone a call and get double a tone. Listen,
I'm big.
Raga.
No, may I ask you a question? Because you always go like you want to run the thing. May I ask you?
Yeah.
You did there with a man a slipe?
Yeah,
Saint
Raga,
Elizabeth?
Raga, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raga. Raga, when you see Chum Chum, the last time I see Chum Chum up on my Siamu, when Chum Chum tell you say happen. Because them not know the story because you never talk about the story. Yeah?
Me not quite remember what Chum Chum did tell.
When Chum Chum tell you, when you see me, say, big me ear, but me not going to talk about it yet because Chum Chum see me and show me the vibe.
Yeah, man, Chum Chum didn't give me a mix-up with you, but me not quite remember. Me going to be honest with you, me not quite remember. Yeah.
When you go talk, Raga, me not going to stop talk more than that ear. Anyway, Raga, hear the story. Raga, I'm pregnant with you, me not tell no lie, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, me go to hospital, go have the baby. She said lose baby, her foolishness, she had talk. Raga, me go to hospital to go have the baby at the time, the 4th of September. I admit for 7 days. When I go, them send a baby in my belly, the baby them not feel, the baby them not so, the baby for later when I dating them. What? The labor ward, right? And
yeah.
Raga, them send me down a ward side because the ultrasound I say baby in my belly, but the nurse she can't detect the baby from the stone something. Raga, go to one side, go have the baby, Raga, me then so till one doctor send us to the baby, and 2 doctors come and say, yeah, then say a baby, an African woman come and ask for prayer or whatever, Raga, me not tell no lie.
Yeah.
Raga, after that, I'm in a room so till the doctor comes, and then them say, I'm going to do another ultrasound say.
Hold on, Biggie. I'm confused about something. Hold on. I'm confused about something. We were just told that you, at some time around 3 to 4 months, you said that you lost the baby. Now you're telling me. Hold on, man. Hold on, let me finish and then you talk.
Yeah.
Now you are telling us that you actually went to the hospital to have the baby.
The baby.
Okay, so how far in the the supposed pregnancy work?
And 16 days.
Okay.
Madam, me Raga, me I feel pain and me I spot. But every time I go to doctor, I go to doctor, Raga, they must say, I'm not pregnant. Raga, me I got next doctor, so much I'm pregnant, so much I'm not pregnant. That is called a complication. Raga, after the baby born, them say, but the baby did stop develop from the baby was 6 months. Right? And the baby was out of the womb, the baby must never get oxygen, so the baby stop develop. Listen to the story. When we got a labor ward now, Raga, and then we got them say we back do another ultrasound on bottom floor. When we got the ultrasound, Raga, the ultrasound say, yeah, them find the baby then, but baby no heartbeat no dead. So therefore the baby dead. So them will give me something for pass out the baby. Raga, but that hospital I'm ask the baby them ask Chum call hospital and the baby and me and Chum if you go home. They deal with me, I got me, so I tell you if you check out first. Raga, I have to tell the life and baby, Raga, I should have canned that boy for two, because that boy need to get that can.
So some people did see the baby and some now see the baby because the baby was already deceased from what, 6 months? From what? From 2 months?
The baby stopped growing at 6 months. Because the baby, some months has been for out of the womb, so the baby stopped growing at 6 months.
Okay. And I did really him, you did that breed for the brother for Slack.
Yeah, Raga, I have to tell me, like, Raga need a story, Raga. But Raga, like what you tell me, did rob him, Raga, I know, Raga, I'm going to stop ring on my phone, Raga, the boy come like a detective and a BB, Raga, I know, me will call him and see me can get to rob him now, because I never rob him them time, Raga, I know more and rob him.
Him coming like a wap and a BB, what?
Raga, the boy come like a pink and a BB service, Raga, the boy don't stop trap me, Raga. Raga, the boy trap me more than O'Connell Green track the top them for your station.
No, he can't track you so much.
Raga, I know me on the phone boy, can you think I me tell Raga a real thing. Regular boy no stop ringing for Raga, me no want the boy no want me. Raga, me no want a mama's boy. Raga, me want a big man, me no want to pick me, Raga.
Hold on. Me say, if this boy attract you and a monitor you, more than how the broadcast, Cardell Green and the broadcast, and Upton done and the broadcasting commission a monitor. That means that this a boy a monitor you 24/7, man.
Raga 365 one, or 365 and a quarter one. Raga every second. So Raga me no shut up, but Raga me have to tell Raga. Me not son me after me have to trick the boy and say me a breed.
Alright, so I lie them a tell boy say you can the youth.
Raga, you say, put on the pass the boulevard, come on, I show you all the paper, I get the discharge from the hospital, the paper I admit in the hospital, and if you don't believe, Raga, I can hook up all 3 weeks now, and to tell you, when to come to the hospital fast.
No, I could do that tomorrow. I could hook up with Chum tomorrow. Here, because we have to let go here now. Here, so we have to call it tomorrow and link with Chum and make Chum corroborate your story, all right? Blessings and respect. All right. Yo, people like that, we say Mixup entertainment. Everything is everything. Biggest said she never can the man from Sliping at St. Elizabeth and thing. But the man cousin call and say Biggie can him and whatever. Mixup and Blenda to the max and thing. Yo, I like 1 o'clock tomorrow. We blaze it up again. Big up yourself. Lord up on yourself. Big up all of my enemies and big up all of my friends. Big up my Tambourine Nation. Big up my Mixup and Blenda family. Large up on yourself indeed. We'll kick it off again tomorrow. We some Mixup non-stop. I want to them. Take care of yourself, people. Outer road.